I'm back and it's time Lucy P. Rave. Wah. 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 Happy 22 months with the Cringe Empire. We love our Lucy.
Blah. 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 Chatty, today, Lucy the Explorer needs your help. Apparently, there's supposed to be a
Mayonnaise,
CC closed
chicken,
caption
cheese,
thing
milk,
that
bread,
I put
ham,
on
ketchup.
OBS. Is it real or is it false? Swiper! No swiping! It's there. Let's go! The CC is real! It's real! I see it.
6
Apparently you
months
can
with
turn
Lucy.
it off and turn it back
Lucy P.
on. So,
Blankies.
yeah, there have been a couple people who are asking me to do that, and I finally did it. So, I don't think it's gonna help that much because I talk like an idiot, so they're not gonna know what the fuck I'm saying. Also, I don't know if it's gonna censor me when I say cum. Let's try this again. Let's see if it picks up the right form of cum. I come out of my penis. In my penis, I form the cum.
Lucy Kid Wave.
Is it saying the right cum? No. Fuck this shit. No, we should uninstall. We should uninstall. I need to delete this plugin. It's ass. It's fucking garbage. Jesus Inner Demon, thank you for the 10 months. I appreciate it. Also, Whitley Scotts, thank you for the half-year anniversary. Let's go! Fair Chizzles, thank you for the half-year as well. Heart of the Party, thank you for the 22 months. Samwise, thank you for the 2 months. Starfire, thank you for the 25 months! Is that a hydrate redeem? Okay. Let me take a shrimp. Man, it's not keeping up with you. Yeah, because I speak a mile a minute. They created the CC for normie streamers. But me, I never shut the fuck up. So let's see if it's capable of coming anywhere near to capturing my power and the way I speak. Yeah, Lucy speaks, we listen. My god, I love Chatty so much. Wait, let's do a muted test, okay? I'm gonna say something really controversial on mute. I have a Chatty body pillow.
Here to ride
Whoops,
the Lucy
I think I
Fire
forgot
train,
to press the button.
set up by the Make-A-Wish Foundation.
Yeah.
Heard it's not the most spacious ride, but being a little cramped ain't
Hydration.
the worst.
Oh, yeah, set up by the Make-A-Wish Foundation. God damn, bitch! Guy, I thought you said you had sworn off of being mean to me. This guy's like, she's a fucking Make-A-Wish kid. I might be a Make-A-Wish kid. Honestly, that's how I got my whole streaming career. And I think Numi's in on it. I think Numi's in on it. I think she's the one who's organizing it or some shit. Because sometimes the way Numi talks to me, she just makes me feel like... She makes me feel that way. Like in a good way, though, okay? Also, Haywood Floyd, I think I said it already, but thank you for the 11 months, Barnaby. Thank you so much for the gift sub. Who redeemed us, Slap? Smithin? Do you want to say sorry? I haven't even done my hydrate reading yet. I've been too busy speaking,
Oh
talking
no,
to people.
18 months already?
Oh
No, I don't want that. I don't want another Twitch baby for another 10 years, at least.
Mind your tongue. Or MY
What the
tongue will
fuck?
wiggle waggle directly into your basic ass.
Seems fun. Call next S crowd.
Lucy
Why are the
Heart.
former presidents of the United States ERPing in my fucking chat? Stop making Biden and Obama have sex with each other. They already do that enough as is. I don't want to hear about it though. Also, minimum effort. Dear Diary, I've survived another Friday. My only exclusively favorite female streamer of all time. Oh, you do really believe
Professional
it?
Yap
Lucy
Lucy
Pyre is now
Empire
on.
is too
I have once
strong
again
for
pawned my
closed
problems to
captions.
future me so I can watch her.
Also,
Cheers.
Drop Day Lucy P.
This is so
Blankies.
base. This is so base. I love being your diary. I love how you have to spend 100 bits every time you make a diary
19
entry. Isn't that
months.
dystopic?
Thanks again
Why
for
would
being
you redeem
here.
Catgirl
By
right
the
now?
way, Yossi P confirmed that the benchmark is just really buggy and
Based!
most stuff about lightning and textures are getting fixed.
Based.
Your Bun Boy
And
will be
everyone
hot again.
who
Lucy
was
P.
fucking
Blankies.
coping, everyone who was gaslighting other people, saying, "No, you're wrong. It looks the same. You're crazy. Everything looks better." You are wrong. You're wrong. They admitted defeat. They admitted
4
that they
months
were wrong,
down.
and I was right
5
all
more to go,
along.
Lucy
Only
P.
me, because I
Smirk.
was the only one who pointed it out, and definitely not tons of people on the official forum. Dude, have you ever gone to
Lucy
the
P.
Japanese
Headbats.
Final Fantasy 14 fucking official forum? They are so organized and professional with how they give feedback. And it's like, the English forums always complains. They're like, they never read our shit. They never even look over here. They only care what Japanese players say. Probably because Japanese players are actually writing things in a concise manner. And you go on the forum and you're just like, I'll never fucking play this game ever again. This is shit. This is garbage. This reminds me of WoW. I hope they fucking die. I hope the game devs who worked on this shit themselves every single day. And I'm never playing again, and I just uninstalled. Also, I want to have sex with my cat girl. Goodbye. Like, that's literally what the English fucking forums
Wow.
look like. No wonder. No wonder they don't read our shit. Damn. Damn. I'm gonna have to get really good at Japanese. Hey, you read my post? Pixeloni's just like, and she's talking about me, and what about it? That's me. Literally me, taking credit for that shit. You didn't have to. You didn't have to say that's me, but boy, am I glad you did, because now we know exactly who you are. Can I fucking redeem Hydrate yet? God, finally, Lucy's back. Thank God. Hi, Numi. Numi, person putting the Make-A-Wish
Lucy
Foundation
P.
together for
Blankies.
me. They just put that brainworm in my head. What? Did I stutter? I don't think I did. Hold on, let me do a hydrate. We're gonna
You see,
interrogate
Lucy,
her a little
when
bit
two
here.
presidents love each other very much, they use bits for bits in their favorite Tubber stream.
How did y'all come to this? I think it was actually me. Somebody called me a Make-A-Wish kid, and then I was like, I think it's Numi. I think it's Numi who started this actually, because sometimes when I'm with her, it feels like the wishes that you would be granted if you were on the verge of death are being granted, and it's not actually real, and it's only because you're fucking dying. Spring Donut, thanks for the 18 months, I appreciate
it's
it.
a
Well,
wild
also
Numi.
Sir Simple, thank you for the
Thank
tier 2,
you
9
for
months. Let's
being
fucking go.
Lucy's
Congrats on your baby
friend.
gig, and thanks for the sub. Welcome to the
Lovers.
Cringe Empire. Wow, we still have the ass slap redeem. I was hoping it would disappear. Girl, are you okay? Chatty, am I okay? Am I okay? I'm doing great. God, I can't wait for our song to release. I can't wait for it to release. I already told everyone I'm gonna open the video and play it, and then when my part comes in, I'm just accidentally gonna lose internet. It's gonna go crazy. That's gonna go hard as hell. You're here with us? I hope you're okay. Of course, I'm here with Daddy. I'm okay. Let it play. Let it play, let it play. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Especially your laugh. Everyone will now understand why I wanted to replace the laugh. Everyone's gonna get it. Also, T.L. Smith, thank
Been
you
a
for the
fun
5
5
gifties.
months.
Blah
Can't
blah.
wait for
Harry on
another
0,
5.
thanks for the sub. Mobius, thank you for the crazy 10 gifties. Blah blah. Professional Yapper Lucy is too fast for the CC. Alexon, thanks for the 19 months. Caesar, thank you for the 5 gift subs. Blah blah. Blah blah. Blink the Whale, thanks for the 4 months. More Chilvies, thanks for the 5 months. Why do I have so many redeems in the past 3 minutes? It's the best part, you crazy bitch. Deadass what it sounds like. What the
If
fuck?
you're a Make-A-Wish kid, then let this tip make your dreams come true.
$70? Bro! You can't give me $70. I'm a woman. What if I spend it on something like taxes? Oh yeah, you guys want an update really quick? I have an update on my tax situation, which is I'm still being ghosted by my CPA. Yeah, they haven't responded to any of the messages I've sent them, so today, after stream, I'm gonna call them and let's see if they answer the fucking phone to me, because at this point, what did you even do with my taxes, bro? Did you fucking steal all my shit and now you're gonna, like, release a docs post or something? I don't even know, I'm over here being paranoid and shit. It was originally $100, but the wage gap means you only get 70. Well, first of all, it's 76 cents for every dollar. So that would mean that you sent $94 actually to the guy. So actually yeah, Lucy's so smart. I'm the smartest. I remember the numbers. I wonder if it's been updated recently. Do you think women have made a couple cents more as of late? God, there's too many redeems here, bro. Breakout Chaos, thank you for the 22 months. I appreciate it. Lucy, my Solazzo, Lovelander, Queen, all cringe and edgelords are drawn to your reverse harem. All hail Queen Cat Girl, Lucy. May your Roman Empire last for 1,000 years. Wait, I have a reverse harem? Oh, wait, this makes everything come together. Sarkis, welcome. Dude, I'm living in a fucking Otome game. Lucy would not survive jail. I wouldn't survive going outside, newbie. I wouldn't survive going outside. She's like, she wouldn't make it in a fucking prison. No shit. I would barely make it fucking walking around, living in the world, having to touch grass. It would barely be feasible, Numi. It's hard enough as it is. Also, Breakout Chaos, thanks for 22 months. Wait, I already said that. Okay, whatever. Black Belt Dave, thank you for the 10 months. I appreciate it. Minimum Effort, thanks for the 4 months. Squeeze, thank you for the 5 months. Dandy Don, thank you for the 22 months. Gumbo, thank you for the 23 months. I had some caffeine. I know I have the thigh and the ass slap, so I'm gonna do that. But if the mods can remind me what else I'm missing, I would really appreciate it. You don't say? Yeah, I have even more caffeine right now, actually. In fact, I have a full Gamer Subs glass code Lucy, 10% off. Make sure to buy the peach tea flavor if you want to taste what I'm tasting. You know? Imagine that my cum probably tastes like this at this point because I've drunk so fucking much of it. Holy shit. Mommy voice, yeehaw, thigh, and ass? Mommy voice, and then yeehaw. Okay, then that's... I know this is why would you name something else? We're okay. It's okay. Hold on, everyone. Hold everyone. Dude, I screamed so hard, I think I dislodged some phlegm that I didn't know was in my throat. Chatty, you gotta be more careful when you come all the way into the throat. It gets stuck in there, man. It's a hazard. It's unhealthy. Anyway, let me do this. I'm not stalling. I feel like this set of ravines tells a story. It's every fucking day it's like this. Every fucking day it's like this. Chromos, welcome. What did I just join? Mods, add another to the pile.
At 70, you've
Alright,
got to
tell me
take
which one
better
this
care
is.
of yourself.
You gotta take better care of yourself. I'm taking good care of myself. I swear. I swear. I mean, other than not sleeping properly. Oh, I figured it out. Okay, hold on. Let me slap. No stalling. No stalling. No stalling. No stalling. Ah, shit. That wasn't good. Wait, what? Is it good? God, I can't tell. She's so hyper today, guys. Yeah, because our song is releasing. Week 4 out of 10. It's hard. Bad slaps. Shut up. Is that better? Is that better? Is that better? Why am I asking for your approval? Why am I out here trying to get a man's approval? It's no fucking... Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna do the thigh now. The way that, like, I'm a typical female who's just, like, out here seeking male approval. Living my fucking life. Holy shit. Oh, dear lord. Thigh is better. Are you remembering cup your hand? Listen, I don't know why the ass slaps weren't doing that well, but I did literally 3, so I think it's fair. Mobius, thank you for the gift sub. Also, Era, write down Numi's earlobe. Seek Numi approval. I do, cause she's... The way that she's such a fucking... It's like a sex pest, but not about sex. It's about, like, validation. She's a validation pest. She's over here, like, seek validation from me. I do every day of my fucking life, Numi. Holy shit! This is a girl who, she knows the text that I've sent her. She knows the shit that I've sent her. She knows that I've been like, Numi, you would tell me if you were, like, finding me really annoying, right? Like, you would tell me if you hate me? Like, you would tell me? Like, you wouldn't make a group chat and, like, with, like, 50 other people and, like, talk about how much you hate me? Like, you would just tell me to my face if you hate me, right? Like, we've done that, yeah. We've had that exchange together. Also, Bishop is Sigval. The fuck, every time you're using him. Holy shit, it's been a year? Thank you so much for the tier 2 and the year anniversary. Let's fucking go.
Numi's friend.
Yeah, thank you for being Numi's friend. We should just do that in like a circle. Thank you for being Numi's friend. Thank you for being Yuzu's friend. Thank you for being Bao's friend. Thank you for being Lucy's friend. Everyone just thank everyone for it. Thanks for being my friend. Aww. When she says it like that, are we a cult? Yes. I don't know why you're confused about this. I don't know why you're confused about this. It's like the Golden Girls theme, but IRL. I think we should all get together and make a cringy song. Get an anime opening. Just with all the girlies. Every single last one of them, as many as we can fit in. Linguinios,
like
tier 3 and 8 months, let's go!
Lucy Pietro.
It's not like I like you or anything. I'm just too lazy to change my tier 3 to a tier 1. And I pressed tier 3 on accident in the past anyway. It's not like I need the money or anything. You can just have it. It's not like I care about you, Lucy Pyre. God, I love Tsundere. See? You guys really are a harem. You guys really are like a reverse harem. And I have my Tsunderes, I have my Yanderes, I have my Derederes, I have my normies. You know, I got my normies, and by normies, I just mean people who don't have like 50 different mental illnesses. Honestly, probably the lowest section of my community. Hi, I'm back. Huh? You're not back. This is your first fucking message. Are you trying to gaslight me? Trying to gaslight women? We have a sexist right here, boys. Light him up and put a crown on his head. Congratulations. Let's see, my water heater exploded, but your streaming silly day is great now. That sounds really dangerous. Wait, what's a water heater? Is that just what makes your shower warm? So Lucy spanked her ass in front of Numi. Lucy is such a lewd tuber. Chatty, on a scale of 1 to 10, how lewd would you say that I am? You can be honest. You can be honest. Alright? 3, 8, 10, 10, 3, 9, 11, 10, 0, 7, 5, 10. That's a fucking variety of numbers. I'm leaning towards 7 because I see a lot of 7s, okay? Everyone posting 10? I don't even have an OnlyFans! How could I be a 10? Come on! There's gotta be a standard here, okay? I feel like if you have an OnlyFans, that'll open up 9 and above, okay? She's like a 4 at most. I love how everyone just has a different opinion here. You're top 0.1% on OnlyFans. Well then why? Who the fuck? Who opened that for me? And why are they taking all of my money? This is actual, like, scam. I haven't watched you that long. I'm kind of new, lol. It's okay, God. You're God. You've probably been watching all this time up from in heaven. So you're forgiven. It was me? Chatty? Chatty? How are you making OnlyFans content out of me?
Isn't a Patreon
The
basically
man
the
opened
same
it as taking
thing?
your money, obviously.
Signed,
Dude, I'm getting
definitely
Andrew
not a
Tated.
Lola.
What the fuck? We are watching you. Our standards are very low anyway. He got me! He fucking got me! Wouldn't you like to know? God, when Shadi withholds information from me and gaslights me. Prof tell
Not
Perium
lewd
he was a
enough if
tutu
you
in 4
want the
months.
waifu cup. Where are we with that?
Where are we with the waifu cup? Okay, I'll finally ask for you guys.
Love you. Wish
I'll
me
ask.
luck in
Let me-
school PLS.
Let me ask the question. Let me pop the question. This must be what, like, proposing marriage
We are together, Lucy.
in the
There
gamer
is
subs
only
community
darkness
is
for
like.
the universe
Hold
and
on, I
only
have-
death for Lucy enemies.
Oh my
These sub-goals and
God.
throne items are just the beginning.
I
Lucy
haven't
command
had
a great
anything on
and
throne in
terrible army,
ages.
and we will sail to 1 billion worlds.
There's a
We
billion
will sail
worlds?
until every light has been extinguished. Twitch is
That's a
strong,
long
but the
time.
empire
Minutes,
is
welcome.
beyond
No
strength.
retirement?
The Lucy harem is end, and it have come for you, Twitch.
Yeah, I love my harem. I love my chatty harem. I love it so much. Oh shit. Wait, am I supposed to... Oh! Oh, okay. I see what this is. Let me just, really cute looking launch. I accidentally forgot to respond to a message. I had my community... Nope, I'm not making this about me. This is about Chatty, okay? My community wanted to know how close we were to a waifu cup. Wait, should I just leave it like that? Should I just leave it there? Throwing us under the bus? Chatty, you're the one asking about it, like every stream, so I'm just gonna... Okay. Alright. Whenever they get back to us... percentage point, okay? I don't want to know how many shit I have to sell. I feel like having a percentage point would be easier for everyone to understand, including me. Like percentage point remaining? Question mark? Your flavor too, dude. It takes a lot to get a flavor, like a lot to get a flavor. So, more than a cup. I think a lot more than a cup. I feel like I need to caffeinate to keep up right now. Holy shit. I'm sorry that I have a lot of energy. Don't worry. I'm sure it'll slow down. I'm sure we'll slow down and we'll fall into a rhythm. You know, the rhythm of the ocean, the motion of the ocean. It's not about the size, it's about the motion of the whatever men say. You know, it takes a fuckload of sales. It sure does. It sure the fuck does. Like, I'm thinking of the people who have had, flavors. So you have Shy Lily from the VTuber community. That's it for VTubers, right?
Lucy,
So far.
when you are getting a waifu
So
cup.
far, right?
We keep asking,
That's
but there's
it.
no date yet.
Yeah. So if you happen to know any VTubers that are, you know, pretty big but don't have a flavor yet, well that should be, I guess, an indication of how much it takes to get a flavor. You know? No, Silvervale got one today. Oh my god, did she? Congratulations, Silvervale. Wow! That's the second one. We got number 2. We got number 2. Cinder? Oh yeah, isn't she working towards getting one? I don't know if she has one yet. Cinder's is gonna be fire. God, I hope it tastes good. I hope it's like a flavor that I really like. I feel like I should ask her, like, hey Cinder, can I ask what the flavor is? Cause I'm probably gonna make it my new favorite. Boo, that pun. What pun? Did I make a pun? Cinder's got a flavor, just isn't out yet. Damn, we be waiting. We be waiting. Maybe they're just working on flavors for other VTubers, and that's why it seems like there hasn't been any other than Lily. Like, maybe I'm just like conspiracy theory posting, but it's because production takes a while. That would make a lot more sense. But then you also have to look at the other creators who've gotten them right. The emotional damage dude who gets like hundreds of millions of views on their fucking YouTube shit. That's a dude with a flavor. Who else do we have? Who else do we have? Meat Canyon? Oh god, when am I gonna get that flavor? I got the shipping notification and I still don't know. Like, I don't fucking know what to think of that. Oh, I don't know. I'm afraid to try it. Oh, it sounds so gross. It sounds so fucking gross, dude. Kaho Shibuya, the ex-porn star. Chatty, you guys know who porn stars are? You should try them on stream. I will. No sweat. I'll ask. Yeah, but not that one. No.
You said Simba's flavor is
That's what
going
I
to
thought.
be fire. Was that not intentional? Ain't no way.
Well, come on! Going to be fire is like a common phrase, although it does work out, so. It does work out. Also, you spelled her name wrong, so now I'm going to kill you. Mods! Creases! Jordans! I'm a perv, of course I know of various porn stars. Chatty, I thought we already talked about this. If you watch human women having sex, you're a cheater. But not only are you a cheater, you're into bestiality, okay? Because we are anime. For every second that we are here, you are anime, I am anime. I can prove this to you. I can fucking prove this to you. Let me prove it. Let me prove it. Wait, what the fuck? Here we go. Chatty, this is you. Chatty, this is you. And if you want to have sex with 3D real women right now, that literally makes you a sicko. That makes you the worst kind of pervert, okay? So you better not ever say anything like that to me ever again while you're in my stream. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear your disgusting sexual habits. Real women wanting to fuck real women? What the fuck is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? The Demonite is cute Riz. Demonite is cute, but Rizful? Who needs Riz when you're Lucy Pyre, am I right? They just flock to me. Boys just come and go like seasons. I like being a streamer because I can LARP being a Stacy. The Mitten Kitten, thank you for the 2 months. I appreciate it. Blah, blah, thank you. Oh, we can hear Lucy's heartbeat. I think how many words did I say in this stream? Now that we have CC, can we technically track how many words I said per stream? Because I feel like this will be... I feel like this will be very telling for us.
I am
Dibs!
back from
Thanks for the
hiatus.
2 months. You're back from hiatus? Oh my god, welcome back, Dibs! Come on, Chatty! Say welcome back! Say it. Say welcome. Say it now. Why do you remain silent? Chatty? Do I need to give you titty torture again? Look how jiggly we all are. God, man, Chatty, you give such a cute little welcome back. You give such a cute little welcome. Oh, Skill! Hi, Skill!
Welcome back.
Hi, Skill. Hi, Skill. Skill, if you were alone in a room with my Chatty, with my little mascot right here, would you squish him until his brains fell out of his head? Because sometimes when I look at him, I just want to give him a really hard kick, like a football. And I can't explain it. I can't stop it. I don't know what to do. What is Demonite anatomy? I think it has a penis. But they're all penises because he has a bunch of different tentacles. You just can't see them because I'm holding them. Wait, you can kind of see it. You see? You see? It's in the corner there. Just let me be your mascot already. Wow, am I in? Huh? I love when women sexually harass me. It makes me feel like less of a sex pest myself. God, I love Skill. Sit on me, Lucy, hard. Sit on me, hard. How do you sit on someone hard? Do you just like, have you ever seen that video of the guy who like he punches the screen and he fucking kicks it and then like the last thing he does is he puts his pants down and then he fucking slams his ass on the camera? Is that what you do? Is that how you sit on something hard? Imagine me, but that gif. Imagine me doing that one for you. Yeah. Welcome back. Wait, what do you mean welcome back? Dude, I was literally here yesterday. Also, I have a ASMR mode redeem, but I forgot that I also have a mommy voice redeem, and then I forgot that you guys redeem everything, and now I forgot that I'm gonna get rid of all redeems because I don't want to do redeems anymore. I'm tired of it. It's time to stop redeeming things. Stop. Now. Quit it. Stop it. Immediately. There was a stream yesterday. I missed it. It was for Patreon. But I was here yesterday, and the person who was saying that was literally in the Patreon stream, so I don't know what they're fucking going on about. Do not redeem! Yeah, I'm a scammer. Please do not redeem the Google Play card. I need that. I need that so that I can make a really low commission that my boss will give me for the $1,200 I just made you spend on Google Play gift card. Why did you redeem? Why did you redeem? Why did you redeem? No! Why would you do that? Why would you redeem? Do not redeem! My voice is, okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about my voice. It's okay. I love opening Lucy's stream and saying chaotic energy every freaking time. Not every time, just every so often, occasionally. I have to let the demons out. I don't want to be loud. I hate being loud. But the parasites in me, they want me to be loud. I don't like being annoying. I hate yapping and being annoying, but the parasites in me want me to yap and be annoying. Okay? Be as loud as you want. Thanks. The parasites love to hear that shit. Lucy Yapper Supreme. You do it so well, though? Thanks! I don't know how I do it. I just say whatever thoughts come to my head, which, by the way, honestly, if there's not one single thing that you can say about women, this is women privilege. If you say whatever comes to your head as a woman, people don't even fucking blink. They don't bat an eye. I swear to God, if I was a guy, I would have already been thrown out of the community and labeled a fucking sex pest. Sex pest. I mean, I'm already a sex pest, but like, it's like, okay. It's acceptable to be a female sex pest, you know? Parasites? You mean the estrogen? That's what that is? Oh my god, what if it really was a parasite? That's crazy.
I think 5
Women
months
are born
is the
with
longest
parasites.
I've ever been with a tuber. Maybe Lucy will carry my sub baby to term.
Wow, Plains of Passion, thanks so much for the 5 months. No pressure at all, right? No pressure? I only have to keep entertaining somebody who just described themselves as being really hard to please and how they've ditched and like they've loved and they've left every VTuber leading up to me, literally bragging about the fact that like they put their dick in VTubers, they knock them up and then they walk away and they don't pay child support. No pressure! No pressure! It's okay, I got this. Easy. I am clearly the supreme fucking alpha female here and keeping you here will be no problem at all. Maybe they're lying. Maybe they're lying. Maybe they're just joking. They might just be joking. I think it's a joke. Please annoy us, Lucy. We love. I love Chatty! Please stop. Ban me. Who are those 13 people? Hands up where I can see them and stop stroking your cock. Alright, hydration. God, that's so good. Okay, now we have to do mommy voice, but it's very hard to be hyper and do mommy voice at the same time. Stop the bass, welcome. Everyone, I will now make you supremely uncomfortable by doing mommy voice with no music in the background. Also, I finally added this thing back, okay? I added this thing back. Hold on, let me show you. I show? Actually, I don't know if this is gonna sound good. Let me know if it sounds terrible. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Weebob! Weebob! Blah! Come! Come! Can't hear it? Wait, Shadi, 1 if you can hear it, 2 if you can hear it, but it's too loud, 3 if you can't hear it at all. 1. Okay, it's already perfect. I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching anything! I'm not touching a damn thing! It's perfect as it is. Now it's gone. But now you know that at any point in time, Reverb Lucy could show her face and terrify you and terrorize you and kill your entire family. It could come out of nowhere. No warning, no hesitation. Be careful. Don't fuck with me. Almighty, thanks for the 18 months, by the way. I appreciate it. Thank you. Put it back. No! Kid voice? No, I have to do mommy voice, unfortunately. Q Binks. Hello, welcome. Mommy voice. Mommy voice.
My
Raptor
apologies
Zero.
for
Thank
my
you
recent
for the
absence.
tier 2
I started
and 9
playing
months.
Minecraft again, Lucy P. Despair.
Don't worry, because I'm playing Minecraft tomorrow. And aren't I so looking forward to it? I get the feeling I'm gonna be spending a lot of time pre-stream just setting it up and being really confused about shit. Because there's a mod pack or whatever for Noomcraft, whatever you call it. Whatever they're calling it. I don't want to be left out. I want to play with the girlies. And wait, are there males on stream? It's okay, chatty. We'll just go mute when male on stream. No problem. It's still so insane how she can just slide into this voice. People tell me it's barely different, and then you have people who praise it. I don't know anymore. I don't know. Oh my god. Detective Cthulhu contributed channel points just so that they could ban Extra. This is actually crazy. Extra, you need to do better for the community. Mod packs are crack. Apparently they got rid of one recently. RIP to whatever that mod was, but it's dead. It's dead because it was too intensive. Imagine a Minecraft mod that's so intense it fucking crashes your computer. That's crazy. Isn't Minecraft supposed to be an 8-bit game or whatever? He deserves a vacation. Every mod deserves a vacation, but not a single one of them are gonna get it. I would never let them take a break. Ever. Mod Appreciation Day passed, and guess what? I wasn't streaming that day, so I didn't get to say anything. So let me say something to the mods. Thank you for putting up with me shitting on you, defiling you, humiliating you, cucking you, making fun of you, and referring to you as not chatty every single stream. You do the hard work that others will not. And you do it for free. That's crazy. That's crazy. You get made fun of by Lucy Pyre for free. That's wild. We take it long and hard. And that's the type of personality and perspective that you need to be a mod. You hear, I'm going to be cucked by Lucy Pyre. I'm going to be treated like shit for a bit on stream. Please, Lucy, fuck me harder live on air. Sometimes I wonder if I'm gonna get like a cancel call out post made about me, because like here's the things that are gonna be used against me. One, she hates women, which by the way true. And then number 2, it's gonna be like she's not nice to her moderators, which also true. And then 3, she's so parasocial and she wants to fuck her audience. Like honestly true. But like when I get canceled, when I get canceled, can you guys all pretend it's a lie? Can you all pretend that they're canceling me for no reason? And I'll do my best to not quote tweet them and be like all true, and I'll do it again. All true, and I'll do it again. Like, dude, Bao is so much stronger than me, because when the fucking person called her out for the shit, the way that if I were her, I probably would have been like, I'm gonna sing it again live on stream, and then I would have gotten it even worse for myself. God damn it. God, she's so mentally strong. She's so mentally capable. I'm turning the music back on. Hank and HD, thank you for the tier 3 and the half year anniversary. Let's go. Lord Lucky, thank you for the 17 months. I appreciate it. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you. I'll yuck and do it again. Wait, did I have Yeehaw? Did I have... Even asking if I have the Yeehaw Redeem makes it come out. Okay, we have Yeehaw Redeem, and then once we do that, I think we will be caught up on Redeems. Maybe. Potentially. Okay, everyone, let me bring this microphone here. I like need to catch my breath because I've been talking so much this stream. Like, it's even more than usual. I'm like... Reverb yeehaw? No. We're not gonna reverb the yeehaw. ASMR mode? Wait, was that redeemed? When? When was that redeemed? You didn't yap enough yesterday. I guess not. I was too busy watching a movie and being a good girl. I'm sorry, I won't do it again. I'll make sure to talk over the movie the entire time so nobody can understand what's going on. It was a good movie? Yeah, now I know what The Princess Bride is all about, chatty. Is that a stretch redeem? Let's fucking go. I'll do that before yeehaw. Oh god, it's so good. Oh god, it's so good. Lay back. Blowing my own back out. Jay, welcome. Oh my god. That's good fucking shit. And this is why you were 7 on loot. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I love being a sex pest. I love being a sex pest. I love being a sex pest. Please don't call the cops. I love being a sex pest. And now, presenting Lucy Pyre but a redneck. Dang, wish I could have what the fuck? Transcendent stretches like Lucy? Is that what you were trying to say, Crimson, sir? Is that what you were trying to get at? You said transcend. What the fuck? Transcend. I'm looking this word up. Is this a real word? Transcend. No, that ain't no word. Yeah, that ain't no word with a T at the end. That ain't no word, bro. That ain't a word. Not a true sex pest without a restraining order. Imagine I'm the only VTuber with a restraining order. Imagine I'm the only one who, like, I can't never go out nowhere in public and talk to other, like, streamers or creators because I have, like, a restraining order from all of them. And, like, you know, well, if one person has a restraining order against you, it kind of means you got a restraining order against all of them, right? This is my way of saying that Numi has already filed for a restraining order, and I suppose I never will be going to a convention. I'm sorry,
I vote
Chatty.
if Lucy
Well,
gets
life
cancelled,
is
we
hard.
gaslight the jerks. We fully consent to Lucy or it's all fake IBS.
Fake IBS. I vote if Lucy gets canceled, we gaslight the jerks. We just pretend it was all AI generation. Bro, if you even watch Lucy, you would know that she didn't actually say that. That was an AI generation. Lucy Pyre would never say that she hates women. She would say that women are only good for sex and that she has a dungeon full of all of them. Okay? She would never have said that she hates women. That is ridiculous, and you're not even a real fan. You're a fake fan. You don't even know how to cancel her properly. Lucy would never sexually harass chat. I've never sexually harassed my chat. Only thing I've ever done ever so often is... But that ain't sexual harassment. I'm just giving them the sniff test. And the sniff test can tell you a lot of things about a person, like, for example, if they've showered or not, how often they touch their dick. And also, it can tell you if they're ready for a hug. I think the stinkier you are, the more you need a hug so that you can share that stench with the rest of the world. Did we pass the test? Hell yeah! Smells like
Lucy
nothing but
P.
gamer sweat in here. Starship AI, thank you for the 8 months. I appreciate it. Can I quit Yeehaw voice yet? Please? Please? I'm asking nicely. I didn't touch it. I'm walked into a locker. Chatty, can I ask you a question? What happens in male locker rooms? I've only been in female locker rooms very, very rarely. But I was shy, and I would always find a stall to get changed. Because I don't want people to look at my body. Dunno, don't go there. What happens there stays there. Gage, what the fuck? Chatty, are you having gay sex in the male locker room? Have you ever watched a sports game? They literally all do. It's not even a stereotype. It's just the truth. They smack each other's asses, okay? I watched a baseball game, and this dude, like, the pitcher was fucking up, and this guy, they all walk up to the plate, and they start talking to him in a big group chat, right? And then on their way out, every single one of them slaps the pitcher's ass! Is it a good luck charm? It's a ritual? Does it help? Yeah, being sexually harassed in public, is that what makes you more masculine? Chatty, I'm not a sex pest. I'm training you to be even more of a man. And even if you're a girl, you're gonna become even more of a man. You're gonna become even more of a man regardless of what you currently are. I am going to transform you. With all this sexual harassment, you will be way ahead of the fucking pack. If for power slap ass is how you win. Chatty, is that why you make me slap my ass at the beginning of every stream? So that I can win at the game that I'm playing? Is that why I beat Bloodborne? Not because I'm good at anything, but because I slapped my ass? Yeah, it's how they hype each other up. I always found it weird personally, but I guess I get it. Chatty, I wish that girls could slap each other on the ass to cheer each other up. But it's not really a thing. But according to Numi, they just make out with each other. Like, that's how girls, like, cheer each other up. Which, honestly, good for them, right? You can just may go to jail. You can just may go to jail. What is this fucking Monopoly? But it's like Chinese translated to English with Google Translate? I bought a product out of AliExpress and I got like a manual. It was just complete fucking nonsense. And I'm just like, God damn, this is absolutely Google Translated. Be the change you want to see in the world. I will be the change I want to see in the world. I'm gonna fix everything. I will. I wish girls would cheer each other up around me more often. Numi? Numi? You wanna do your thing? You wanna do your thing for this guy? Girls kissing each other isn't seen as gay, but guys slapping each other's asses is? No, it's all gay. But you're right that the public opinion on the behavior differs from gender to gender. But I'm here to say it's all gay. I'm here to say it's all homosexual, homoerotic behavior. Everyone's gay. Everyone you see on TV slapping each other's asses, gay. You see two girls kiss, gay. Two girls look at each other in the eyes, that's gay. Two men, they express their feelings to each other, gay. Two men's are best friends, that's gay. Two men's, you kiss the homies, that's gay. Everyone's fucking gay, and when everyone's gay, no one's gay, bro. We're just part of the human species. Me and the homies tweak each other's nipples. Not gay. Who the fuck commented this shit in my chat? Sheets, I subbed my own ass,
too
so...
furious.
I do too, but it's because Chatty makes me. They like hold a gun to my head, and they say if you don't do this redeem, then you're not a real streamer. And you're a bad girl. And I want to be called a good girl, otherwise I can't come. So I always slap my ass for Chatty whenever they redeem it. But now I'm starting to get second feelings. I don't know if Chatty really loves me, and that's why they make me do it. Or maybe they're just doing it for their own sick, sexual gratification. What? Are you using me for entertainment? Are you using me for a laugh? Are you using me to come? Unbelievable! You should dedicate your entire life to me and make me your absolute favorite woman on the planet Earth. How dare you use me as a commodity? I'm your fucking girlfriend/wife! I love being delusional on the internet. Jujula, thank you for the tier 3 and 24 months. I appreciate it. 2 years. Let's fucking go. Too baby, too furious. Why did your gestation take 12 months for each baby? Are you okay? Juju? Dude, what's going on with my mods? Juju's got the longest ass fucking gestation period of all time. Man, this is a Wendy's. Fuck Wendy's! Fuck Wendy's for ruining the internet! Fuck Wendy's for ruining Twitter! They ruined it! They ruined TikTok! They ruined fucking everything! Now every single brand thinks that they can go online and they can say shit like, haha, that's cap, haha, oh, skibbity toilet, haha, crease their Jordans. Shut up, brand! Silence, brand! Silence! Hey Zeros, thanks for the 25 months, I appreciate it. Shadow, thanks for the gift sub to Wendy's. Hi Fifi, welcome in. I have a hydrate redeem. You okay, Lucy? This one seems personal. I hate Duolingo. I hate Duolingo, and so anything that Duolingo does, if I see another brand do it, I get irrationally angry. Okay? So that's what happened. Duolingo is a fucking scam. It will not teach you a language. It is an app designed to be addictive, to keep you logging in and paying them money to get rid of their intrusive, annoying ass fucking apps. Duolingo is worthless, and every time I see an advertisement of it, I get angry, okay? It is a pure fucking scam. If you enjoy Duolingo, that is good for you, okay? But it is not going to teach you a language. I have a passing interest in this because I am currently learning a language at the speed of a fucking turtle covered in sand and gunk and mud and running through molasses, but I am learning, and it is not through Duolingo. Butterbuns, welcome in. How's it going? Someone get Duolingo to sponsor Lucy? If they let me say whatever I want about the app, I'll take the sponsor. If I can say, this is a fun app if you want to pretend that you're learning a language. This is a fun app to talk about with your friends at like a dinner and brag about how you're learning Russian when you actually don't even know the alphabet yet. This is a fun app if you want to feel like you're doing something with your life, but you're really not. This is a fun app if you want to pretend that 5 minutes a day can actually make a difference on teaching you a language. This is a great app for that, and so I highly recommend. Thank you for the money, Duolingo. It's not gonna happen! It's not gonna happen! It's not gonna happen. They're not gonna take me. They're not gonna give me a sponsor. I don't even think I've seen like a VTuber or a YouTuber get a Duolingo ad. Huh. Have I? I don't think I have. I don't think I've ever seen them do one for a YouTuber. But maybe I'm just like blocking it out, like mentally. Anytime I see it, I'm just like, calm down, Lucy. Keep the demons inside. Keep your demons inside. Don't say it. Don't say it. Just forget that you saw it. Just forget. Just forget. Just forget. Can't think of one. So, Anki it is. Honestly, this is just my opinion after spending about 2 years learning a language. There is no app that's going to learn the language for you or like teach the language to you. You have to read and listen yourself and like speak yourself. You know, it's all that shit that people say, but it's like a big ass barrier to entry, right? Because I don't know if you've ever tried to do this. Have any of you ever tried to fucking learn a language? One of you tried, two of you haven't. This way I know if it actually matters for me to go on this little rampage here, if anybody's gonna find this relatable or fucking not. Okay, that's a lot of people who've tried to learn language. Have you ever tried to learn a language? And from the minute that you start go, like maybe you listen to some content and then you realize I can't understand a single fucking thing, then you get really intimidated and you give up. Have you ever done that? Anyone here? I certainly have. I certainly have. And yet the sad thing is, you sort of just have to throw yourself into the fucking deep end and demand that you learn how to swim. There's no shortcut. There's no app that's going to make it easier. I remember the first book I tried to read in Japanese, I literally gave up after the first page took me 20 minutes to get through and I didn't think I understood a single fucking word that I had read. And then I started reading other shit instead. It was terrible. And today, guess what? I'm still kind of fucking slow, but I'm much better than I used to be. Cause you know, you just gotta throw yourself in there and read and listen and do things like that. And unfortunately, I wish apps could help, but they don't. They don't, not really. Anki's been okay for me, but honestly, I fucking hate Anki too. I hate it. I hate it!
Can you teach us, Lucy?
I hate Anki! I hate fucking flashcard softwares. I hate studying. I would rather just read Japanese porn and be finished with my studying for the day. You know what? That's how learning works. You suck until you suck less and less. It's hard. It's hard. Nobody ever talks about that. Everything's always put into like this really succinct and nice YouTube video where they gloss over the fact that like, in order to get good at something, you have to really, really suck at it. And they'll like maybe dedicate a sentence or two to that, but nobody talks about how that's the place where everyone fucking fails. Me included. That's where everyone stops because it feels like shit to suck. It feels bad when you're self-aware of how bad you are and you can't fix it. It's a fucking language too. It's not something you can immediately just be like, oh, I suck at this, let me fix that immediately. It is such a fucking barrier to any goddamn skill when you suck, and you can't get over sucking until you suck enough times until you start to suck less. It's so hard! Listen, I did it for Bloodborne. Chatty, you all watched me beat Bloodborne. Level 69, Kane only. And if I can do that, you could probably become the president of the United States. Even if you weren't born here. Now don't say that that's illegal. It could happen, because if I can do that, anything could happen. Anything could happen, Chatty. Just drop into a rural village and try to survive. What is this, Resident Evil 4? You were a super strong soldier for Bloodborne. I did my best. I did my best. I missed it. Do it again. Oh, I don't know about you, but I really enjoy sucking. Allow me to clarify. When I refer to sucking at a skill, I do not mean slobbering on cock. This may be shocking to you, as a lot of my content is talking about dicks, cum, and sucking on cocks and dicks and cum. But every so often, the word suck has a different definition and connotation. I am sorry to shock everyone. I'm sorry. But it is true. Do I throw a coin? Toss a coin for your Lucy Pyre. Yeah. When you suck, you just suck. If you suck, you should lose. I hate myself for making that quote. I hate myself so much because people only know. Nobody uses that to like be like, yeah, this other person sucks and they deserve to lose. No, it's always just a shit on me. It is never to make me
DMP
happy.
here. When it comes to languages, heck, even the English language fails me sometimes. So when I was in the Canadian French classes,
Canadian.
nothing was absorbed. Calls to think in a different language or convert from English destroys my brain. Lucy, you are smart.
Thanks for the $3. GMP. Why would you try to learn French? You masochist? Why French? Why French? Why French though? No, really. Tempo, thanks for the sub by the way. Welcome in, bro. Blah blah. Dead language? I heard that a lot of people who go to France and they try to speak French, they get shit on by the locals. And they'll ignore them and start talking to them in English. This is what I've heard. Is this true? Any French people can confirm or deny. That's everywhere. I don't think that's true. There's like, have you ever seen those fucking YouTube videos where it's like, white guy knows 100 Chinese words, goes to Chinatown in New York and like shocks the locals? Have you ever seen that flavor of video? It's just the reactions, they're so different from what people describe from French people. It's cause they can't talk their own language. And if you try to speak to them in English, they'll cuss you out in French.
Lucy P. Blush, Lucy P. Hearts.
I am American. Je ne sais quoi. Baguette. Croissant. What are you talking about? I'm talking about French people and YouTubers who make content out of quote-unquote shocking the locals. I'm gonna go shock the locals. I'm gonna go to Japan and start screaming Nakadashi, 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 hentai, hentai, hentai. And then we're gonna shock the locals, but like it's not gonna be the way that people on YouTube want me to. Just say ni hao and boom, you speak of the Chinese. Why did you turn Italian trying to teach me how to speak Chinese? You speak of the Chinese, Lucy? You speak of the Chinese? Okay. Ni hao and boom. It's easy. It's that easy. It's that easy. You walk into the store. You say ni hao. The waitress says, I am from Japan. And you say, oh. Shishi! And then you take your order and you leave. Avalanche Grim, thank you for the half-year
6
anniversary. I
months
appreciate
already.
it.
Please let me escape.
Just be like John Cena and get ice cream. Shishi, isn't that how you say thanks in Chinese? I forgot. Oh hi, oh gozaimasu. Anunnaki, I didn't like reading a single part of that. Kaminade, welcome. Mandarin, yeah. Hey yo, I'm practically fluent. Just like if you listen, if you know the word Ohio gozaimasu, arigato gozaimasu, konbanwa, and hentai, you're pretty much ready to move to Japan. I don't think you have anything else to learn, nothing more that I can teach you. Zerak, thank you for the 18 months, I appreciate it. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. This is my first stream and I'm loving it. I will be back for more. I like it when people leave reviews like I love it when people leave reviews midstream, like it's a fucking Amazon item and they're just like, my first time ordering this item and I loved it. We'll definitely come back again for more. Like, I love chatty reviews. Yeah, I want to do chatty reviews of the Twitch panels. That would be so good. That would be so good, dude. Holy shit. Mods, keep your eyes out for some good ones and then we'll definitely commission some. 2 out of 10, not enough country accent. 8 out of 10. I was personally enjoying myself. However, then she started calling herself my girlfriend and I felt a little weird and my actual girlfriend heard that shit and she broke up with me. Well, she's gone now, but at least I have Lucy Pyre, my new girlfriend. Let's fucking go! I'm sorry I ruined your life. I'm sorry I ruined your life. Olidator, thanks for the 2 months. Zerak, thank you for the 18 months. Congrats on your second baby. And Avalanche Grim, thanks for the half-year anniversary. 6 months already. Please let me escape. Why would you want to escape? Go where? Where would you even go? We're here in the 5th circle of hell. Where would you go? Do you know your way around here? Do you know how to get out? No. No, you don't. I don't even know the way out of here. I don't walk outside my bedroom. 5th circle is cozy, exactly. My favorite thing is the river Styx is right out there, and you can hear people screaming all the time. Ree! 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 It's like when you wake up in the morning and you hear the birds chirping. You hear the people screaming. It's beautiful. This is nice as fuck. I might move.
Still not sure how I got here.
Me either, Xenos the Legend. Thanks for the 3
Not my
months.
first
I think
time
Starbucks
watching
is a pipeline
for
to like
5
having your
fifth
worst
stars.
moment,
This
like having a
free
mental
metal really puts
breakdown,
into
and then becoming a
perspective how
VTuber.
bad
I think
some
it is a
people have
pipeline.
it.
Not my first time watching. 4.5 out of 5 stars. This film style really puts into perspective how bad some people have it.
Hi, Lucy.
Yeah, there are lots
I
of
think
people.
it's time
There-
for you to
there are lots
remove
of
my
people in the
VIP
world
Lucy
who,
P. Such, can I share the
God
clip
damn
that
it.
made me subscribe to you before I get put down?
Thanks for the 1337. How did you know I was gonna put you down? Chatty, you weren't supposed to see the needles behind the screen. Just close your eyes. I'm just gonna bite you a little bit on the neck, like... It's nothing lethal, nothing deadly. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be okay, just close your eyes. Enjoy the sensation. Avalanche Grim, thanks for the gift sub, I appreciate it, blah blah. Chatty, I'm scared! And then I sink my fucking fangs into your throat, and then I drain you dry! I suck you dry! Every time. Oh shit, Zeus still has fucking VIP! I volunteer for tribute. Chatty, how am I supposed to threaten you and make you actually afraid of me? How do I properly threaten you? What do I need to do? What do I need to do, Chatty? Impossible. You can't? No shot. Too cute. Keep doing what you were doing. No! You just said that you're not afraid! End stream? Chatty, I'm about to end stream! I'm about to end it all! Streamer who says that they're about to end it all, but what they're talking about ending is stream. Literally, yeah, what if I don't want to... Wait. Stop! Chat! Calm down! Let me finish reading! Biggest threat would be to stop streaming. Oh no, the person who is saving the
Is that
points, the
Lucy
channel
Pyre?
points to end
The
stream,
pro-game
you have
Lucy
so
Pyre.
much fucking
The cute
points.
and
You have so
adorable
much
Lucy P.
power
The
over
good
so many
girl
people
is
here right
Lucy
now.
P.
I fear
Hi,
you as
Lucy
well.
Summer and Chatty. Oh,
Hi,
did I
Lucy
mention
Summer.
that Lucy is the goodest of girls?
Chatty, could I get some Lucy Samas in the chat? Can I get some Lucy Samas in the chat? I'm trying to sound like a fuckboy. Is it working?
It's okay, Lucy P. Head pats.
Lucy Sama.
Also 2 more months
Let's go.
before.
Let's go. Lucy Sama. Oh god, it feels good. Do you think when I go to Japan they'll give me as much respect too, and they'll all say Lucy Sama, and they'll like get down in the what's the position? Dogeza. They'll dogeza for me, put their heads on the floor, knees on the floor, and they'll kneel prostrate. Yeah, prostrate themselves. The other one is prostate. They're gonna prostrate themselves. This is the first time I join. Is it a bad time? Does it look like a fucking bad time to you? Does this look like a bad time to you? I'm over here, I'm talking about the Japanese prostrating themselves before me whenever I join the ranks of the Japan. Does this look like a bad time to you? What am I doing wrong? I'm T-posing? They will kick you out? Have you guys seen the pictures of like the foreigners on the train? Have you seen that shit? Apparently Japan is having a really bad problem with tourism right now. And please stop. I'm begging you, stop. I haven't even gotten to visit Japan yet. What if they just closed it to fucking foreigners? By the time I want to go, and they're just like, stay away. You don't know how to ride the train. And I'm gonna cry. Stop. Stop, Chatty. Make them stop it now. Now. Please. Yeah, stop, you baka gaijin. I'm gonna be mean to other foreigners while they will fuck up their own economy, no shot. I guess it is true. I guess they can't get rid of me. But I swear to be respectful. However, today's stream is also gonna help me be respectful, because I've never ridden on a train before, so I don't know the etiquette of train riding. But this game, Shinkansen, should teach us exactly how to do it. They already fucked up their own economy. Well, bad for Japan, good for the people ordering scabs on the fucking scab website. Because you'll read some shit like it's 15,000 yen and then you'll translate it and you'll be like, whoa, that's actually kind of fucking cheap, actually. Absolutely sucks to be Japanese right now. Ain't no way. I apologize to all Japanese people. I apologize. I will tip all of you. Tip all artists. Wait, Lucy is respectful. I am, I swear. I swear. I just act like a sex pest on stream, but in real life, I'm quiet. I'm silence. Shh. You want to know something that really pisses me off, by the way? Something that really pisses me off? And this is why I'm so glad. I don't think I've been to see a movie, like, in a theater for a very long time. I can't stand people who talk during movies. I can't fucking handle it. It gets me so tilted and mad. And I can't stand people who have their phones out during it either. It's so fucking annoying, and it makes me hate normies so much, it's insane. I become homicidal. It's a good thing that I stay home, because I just want to kill them so bad. And I feel like such a weirdo, because like every time I've been to a movie theater and people are talking, it's like nobody else pays them any attention but me. And like I'll like crane my neck to look back at them. You know, you got a little short white girl giving you the stink eye or whatever. Is that gonna make you stop? No, of course not. Who gives a shit like about the little tiny white girl? But like, come on, it's so annoying. It's so annoying, man. When their phones go off too, that's annoying. You ever had someone start looking for something in a movie theater with their phone flashlight? It happens to me. It happens to me, Chatty. It could happen to you too. It could happen to you too. I hope you stub your toe. Too basic. Too real. I hope that somebody starts searching for a lost item with their phone flashlight on during your favorite, most anticipated movie. Could happen. Terrifying. Would ruin their experience. Give real insults. And those same fucking basic white girls eat so loudly. It is true. Have you ever just heard the sound of somebody like rumbling through popcorn at a movie theater? I'm too autistic for this shit as well. Ozzy Witcher, welcome. Movies are way too loud. Movies are way too fucking loud. It's actually painful how loud they are. And then they have the problem of their dialogue being too fucking quiet. So you have the sound effects going, and then I'm covering my ears. And then fucking Susan Nelson, whatever the fuck their name is, they start talking. And I'm just like, I can't even hear her. I don't even know what she's saying. I think people need to start putting subtitles on movies again. Because if you're gonna mix them like that and make them sound like shit, how about you at the very bare fucking minimum, you put on subtitles. I don't have a lot of requests. I don't ask for a lot. It's just one simple thing. Just give me some subtitles. Just give me some fucking subtitles. That's it. That's it. Alright, Shouty. I think it's time that we start Shinkansen. Shitting-kansen. Shit, I am Watashi wa Shinkansen. That is me. I am her. I'll never stop being her. I was born her. Haters stay mad. They stay picking the corn out of my shit. We smoking symbiotes. Go off, queen. Do you like her, man? Thank you. I like when everyone listens to my Minhara rants. I feel like a Debbie Downer all the time. I feel like a Debbie Downer all the time because, like, I'm very... How do I describe this? Like, when I'm in public, I'm very by the book. And I'm sure that this is why I've never had friends. I'm sure this is why I've never had friends. This is what I forgot to mention. Have you ever had someone vape in a movie theater? Right in front of you? I've had it happen. Can somebody explain to me why people who vape think that it's okay to do it anywhere and wherever they want, and they think that they're better than people who smoke regular ass cigarettes, and they literally have no respect for other people? They think other people want to smell that shit. Isn't it illegal? Yes, it's illegal! Do these people give a shit? No! Yeah, just smoke for real. Like, what the fuck? They're addicted. It's actual addiction behavior. Actual addict behavior. And yet we're just supposed to sit here and pretend like, by the way, vaping is like healthier or whatever. Not if that's how it fucking makes you act. Not if that's how it makes you act. Because you can shit on people who smoke cigarettes all you want. I've never seen someone smoke a fucking cigarette at a restaurant. I've never seen someone smoke a cigarette in the movie theater. And yet people will have a fucking vape, they'll barely hide it, and you'll just smell like a fucking nasty ass cloud of cotton candy hit your face and you're like, oh, that person's vaping! This is the one thing I will have a very strong stance on. If you fucking vape in non-smoking areas, stop! Now, stop vaping everywhere. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop now, nobody wants to breathe your fucking secondhand smoke. You're not better than cigarette smokers. Stop, 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 stop,
Literally everyone would rather destroy their lungs and actually smoke
Stop
a
it.
cigarette or a cigar than look like a
Stop
douchebag
it.
with a vape.
Matt Kenjudo, thank you for the sub. Welcome to Cringe Empire. I have strong feelings on vapors. My brother, Hassan Pyre, he vapes. Who here is shocked? Who here is shocked that Hassan Pyre vapes? He does. And I remember strongly, he started vaping back when vaping was just then becoming like a popular thing. And he was it's not addictive. It's not addictive, and it's not bad for you. It's not like cigarettes. It's not the same. It's like, it's different. And I was like, this is so crazy, bro. This is so crazy. We both grew up with our grandma smoking fucking cigarettes. In the house. In the car. Choking us. Our fucking stepdad smoked cigarettes, and here you are, starting to vape? Well, guess what, Chatty? He started taking the vapes with nicotine, and it's a tragic story from here. It only gets more and more tragic. He's an addict for real now. He became the very thing he swore to destroy, that's right. It's not addictive, he says, as he begins to buy the ones that have nicotine in the formulas. They got him, that's how they get you. That's how they get you, Chatty. Nicotine makes my brain work right. Me too. Methamphetamines make my brain work right. I can't do a stream without a nice hit of meth right before. It always gets me in the mood, gets me nice and ready for it. Oh, I love me some meth right before the stream. Damn, I quit. Only on occasion I'll have a cigar with friends. You can socially smoke? It feels hard. Like, because of nicotine, it feels like it's really hard to socially smoke or something like that. Anyway,
Every time I go to a foreign country and someone smokes in the restaurant, I want to shit myself.
You're just like me, Redaran. You're just like me. Thanks for the 13 months. I appreciate it. I also want to shit myself. We're just like each other, Chatty. We should get married. We're gonna get married in June. I hope you're ready for that. We're gonna get married. I will not compromise. Okay. Yeah, let's start. Can you guys hear the game? Chatty? Game noise? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, F. Wait, I didn't F, did I? No, I didn't. No, I'm fine. Okay. Yes, I can hear it. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, you can hear it. It's got like a really annoying background noise. Kitsuke e ame... Heya meiku. Soki o yaku de... Oh, reserve it early and you get 20% off! Woo! Base! Where do I need to go? Where do I need to go? This must be the objective. This must be the objective. Hi, first time on stream? Welcome in. I'm on the train. I'm running the train. I'm getting trains run on me as well. Okay, come on. Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Hey! I'm doing so good! Turn back if there is anomaly. What does this mean? The fuck do you mean by anomaly? Chatty, that word's too big to me. Can anyone describe what an anomaly is, please? Something out of place? Well, the train's fucking empty. Is that out of place? That picture looks kind of creepy. Is that out of place? Oh. What the fuck? This kid looks like a future K-pop star. He looks like he's about to start singing shit from SHINee. The hell? He's so... What a handsome kid! Hello? 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 How do I... Can I even interact? Hello? Yeah, you got any games on your phone? Why is he staring at me like this? Hello? Hello? Chatty? If you see something, say something. This woman looks like she's been drugged. We need to help her. Who are you? Who are you? You just some random... What did you do to her? What did you do to her? The fuck? I guess I can't do anything. Ah, Kaji Daiko Service. She's gonna do your cleaning? Cleaning? No, not cleaning. That's what is that? Fucking Kaji. The fuck, furniture? No, not furniture. It has to be like house cleaning services. Oh my god, that's crazy. Chatty, would you let her into your... Hello? Chatty? What happened? Would you let her into your house? I trust her. No, only Lucy in my house. Chatty, if you let me clean your house, I'll wear a maid dress and I'll bend over cutely over your furniture and be like, oh no, Chatty, I really need to reach to clean this spot. Well, you completely ignore me and you don't even look while I'm trying to literally present myself to you, and I get cucked once again because I already know how this fucking goes. SpiderV94, thank you for the 4 months, I appreciate it. Blah blah, thank you. Hello? Oh, it's the phone. Alright, let's call. ... Amazing game! 10 out of 10 stars! Are we done? Are we done? Oh my god, it's an exercise class. That's so cool. Is it for... Why does this feel like this person was photoshopped to be old? Like, look at this person. Their head doesn't seem to fit on the body. Damn, Granny Conda, shut the fuck up, Extra. For once in your life, keep it to yourself. Panty idiot, welcome. How's it going? Nice, you're panty idiot. Holy based. Hello? Oh, look, it's me! Look, it's me! Look, it's me! Look, it's me! I'm a guy. Oh my god. Look at me. Look at me, look at me. Hands in the air like it's good to be alive in such a small world. I'm all wrapped up with a book to read. Can I talk to you? Hello? I hope I'm not like missing some type of control button here. Because if I am, I'm gonna start crying. Punch is nuts. Oh, we're going... This is a bad sign. This is a bad sign, dude. This is such a bad sign. Like, the fact that this kid just saying Konnichiwa made me scream.
何してるの？また会ったね。お兄さんもゲームをしに来たの？
What game?
僕めっちゃ楽しみ。
For what? What are you, fucking Pokemon cards or something?
お姉ちゃんが起きないから暇なんだ。
Probably because you drugged her. Like, ain't nobody who's innocent making a face like that.
いくら待っても。すっごく待っても起きないんだもん。でもお兄さんがゲームしてくれるか
Yeah, I
ら。
thought that was his
もう
mom.
大
That's
丈夫。
his sister. Chatty, this kid's a psychopath.
ゲームのルールは知ってる？
Why would I know the rules of the game? I'm clearly like a salaryman. No?
ルールはとっても簡単だよ。変わったことがあったら戻る。簡単でしょ？
Kantan desho? No.
ゲームを終わらせる方法？それは0号車まで行ってその先の運転室でブレーキをかけるだけ。
I'm literally about to kill everyone on this train. He just told me to go fuck with the brakes.
トイレの車両は変わったことは起こらないからね。
Oh, thank God you can shit in peace. You can always shit in peace, Chatty. There's nothing in the bathroom.
もう一回説明する？
I got it.
よかった。
Yukata!
じゃあ後でまた会おうね。
Yeah. Sure thing,
Konnichiwa.
kid.
何してるの？
What were the rules again? No. Do not explain it to me again. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Okay, Chatty, I need us to work together. Now me, I'm very unobservant. Okay? So if you see something, say something. If you see something, say something. See something, say something. All of these things, all these public service announcements have been teaching us for this moment so that you can backseat Lucy Pyre. Enjoy your backseat, okay? We're gonna beat this game together. I need your help. Okay, where's the bathroom though? Oh my god, it's the toilet! It's the toilet! It's occupied. You know what? Oh, it's an automatic door, so I can't open it. This is a shame. I wonder who's shitting. Surely we'll get to see them sometime soon, right? Okay. See, look weird? No. Everything looks normal. Everything looks fine. Everything's okay. Everything's alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Y'all don't see nothing, do ya? Y'all don't see shit? I don't see shit either. Let's keep going. Light is off. Where? No, it's not. Check his sister? Oh! Where's the kid? Wait, does this count as an anomaly? Does this count as an anomaly? Let me do the hydrate redeem. No, it's normal. Yeah, he could be shitting, Chatty. He could be shitting. Listen, relax. Kids have to shit too. Every so often. Hello? Kid shitting? Are you shitting? Are you shitting? すみません! うんこがしたいです! Anyway. Muna Sawagi. Cool movie. Are you anomaly? He's still normie. Why are your eyes open? Chatty, were his eyes open last time? Listen, did you remove chat from screen on purpose? Chat, you're not on screen? No, Chatty. Chatty, why did you go away? Chatty, why? Chatty, you abandoned me. Now you're back. You can never leave me again. Ever. Sorry, we were busy. No, you're not. When I'm streaming, you must give me your full attention. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I can feel it. I'm being cock-teased again. No. Oh. Once a year, Chatty, you need to go and get a doctor's appointment. Have you done it? Chatty, have you had your doctor's appointment yet? You had your doctor's appointment yet? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you taking good care of yourself, Chatty? I'm watching you. I'm watching your every fucking move. Imagine having health insurance. Sorry, too relatable. Never say that again. Never say that again. It's too relatable. The number on the floor. Huh? Y'all see something? Oh. Wait, no. The number is accurate because the last one was 7. The last one was 7. 6? You should be, yeah, it's right. You should be going forward, right? So this one should be 5. Yeah. Total normie. He's completely normal. The fuck is... Why are they like this? Was it like this before? Like these things? Okay, just keep walking, Chatty. Faces and chair. Chatty? Go back. Anomaly? It feels anomalous, yeah. It feels not normal. I don't like it very much. Oh my god! Kawaii Neko-chan! Neko Cafe de matteru nyan. He's waiting for you at the cat cafe. Oh my god! He's so cute. Kawaii nyan ko ni deaeru. You can meet a really cute cat. Oh my god! 1,000 yen. What a steal. What a steal. 1,000 yen for an hour. Holy fuck. I'm sold. Okay. Did we do it? Did we do it? Did we do it? We did it right? We did it right? We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it, my chatty. We're doing it, my chatty. My chatties. Oh, my chatties. Oh, this game goes hard. Yeah, this game goes hard as fuck, bro. They got cute cats, they got doctor's appointments, they got scary women who are gonna... Wait, is the sister supposed to be here? Chat. Oh, there she is. Okay. Sister's here, don't worry. Don't worry, sister's here. Sister is here. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Ooh. Come on, let me shit! They don't want me to shit. They don't want me to shit. Hello? Okay. Alright. Okay. Nice chairs, nice chair. The fuck? Okay, so he's here. Our reflection looks normal. Thought you didn't shit, Lucy? I'm a salary man! Look in the mirror! I'm a fucking guy! I'm just some dude in Japan who, like, has to fucking work, like, 18 hours a day. And I'm on the train ride home, okay? I do have to shit. Towel's no longer folded. Wait, what? Chatty, what do you fucking mean the towels are no longer folded? What do you mean? Am I missing something? Mail on stream. Oh no, Lucy is such a fuck... I don't know why the sister scared me this time.
Wow.
Yeah, what towel? That's what I'm asking. I didn't even see a
10
towel.
months of Cringe Empire.
Mr. Cock Insider, thanks for the 10 months. I appreciate it. We always love reading your username. Has your cock ever not been Insider, though? It sounds painful. I think that's how you get a UTI, bro. Right, we're at 2. Come on. I can feel this. This time there's gonna be an anomaly. Keep your fucking eyes peeled. Eyes peeled! Eyes peeled! Eyes peeled! Eyes peeled! Everyone, stay woke! Stay woke! Stay woke! Stay woke! Sister? Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Is it really normal? Really? Check ceiling. Is there not supposed to be a bag there? Looks fine to me. If we're wrong, then we cry. We cry ourselves to sleep, okay? Alright. Dude, we're right! We're making progress! We're making fucking progress here! Okay, Normie?
Lucy, I need
Normie?
you to take a break from the game and go the hospital.
Nader, thank you for the 9 months, I appreciate it. However, I don't have my cock insider, so why would I need to go to the hospital for a fucking UTI? I don't even have one. See? I am a UTI-lit, which is a good thing. It's good to be a UTI-lit. I don't see anything. The fuck? Are we just being trolled right now? Wait, where's sister? Okay, sister there, sister there, sister here. Still can't talk to her though. Sister Chan, you have anything to say for yourself? Seems alright. Toilet! We're at 0, chatty. We're at 0. This is where he told us to go. This is where he told us to be. Hello? Hello? Walk calmly. Walk calmly. Walk calmly. Nothing's gonna jump scare us. 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 You see anything, chatty? Look where the bag is. Bag's normal? Bag's normal? Was it really that easy? Something's wrong here. Chatty, something's very wrong. Door? Somebody's gonna pop out of that shitter and like fucking jump scare us. I can feel it. We're at the conductor's room, chatty. We're here. We're here. We can already beat the game. Okay. Alright. Yeah, this is way too easy. Chatty? Chatty?
本日は新幹線をご利用いただき誠にありがとうございます。
Lucy Louise.
ただいま当列車におきまして 線路上での接触事故がありましたので、安全確認のためしばらく
Go
停
scare
止
us.
を
Thanks
し
for the 25 months.
運転再開におきましては、現在見通しが立っておりません。本日はお急ぎのところ誠にご迷惑をおかけいたします。Attention please. We have stopped momentary due to one injury. There is no plan for the train to stop at this moment. Please excuse the
Attention,
delay.
please. There is no plan for the train to stop at this moment. Why did they give him a British accent? Oh. Chatty, am I dead? Chatty, am I dead? Did I die? Did I die? Can I shit yet? Can I shit yet? Open the door! They hate me. I told you he was shitting! I told you he was shitting!
お兄さんすごいね。
Oni-san. I'm your Oni-san?
成功したんだね。
Why are his mouth movements like that? Close that door, it stinks! Shut the fuck up.
もしかしてここが運転室になってるって思った？
Yeah, almost like it had a label called fucking train conductor's room.
冗談はよしてよ。
He said, put the jokes away. Don't joke. Haha. Don't joke.
新幹線にはグリーン車があるんだよ。
Greensha. Greensha.
お兄さんなら知ってるよね。
Wait, we have green cars?
じゃあね、それはね、グリーン車の向こうだよ。僕が0号車の次って言ったって？
I'm a foreigner! I'm a guy Kokujin, you little bitch! I don't know anything!
0号車っていうのはグリーン車の0号車のことだよ。
Okay, we have to go through the green rooms, Chatty.
まあ確かに。
As opposed to the Green Mile, we have to-
そうだったかもね。
Chatty, you don't even need to know Japanese if that did not translate to dub, but okay.
それはそうと、変わったことがあったら進んで、なかったら戻るんだよ。
Okay.
3回間違えるとお化けが来るから気をつけてね。
Oh, and if you get it wrong, a monster will come, so be careful. Okay, guess I'll just shit myself then.
僕はお兄さんを応援してるよ。
Yay! Yay!
ねえ、
What?
お兄さん、あのさ、
What?
なんで僕たちはこんなところにいるんだろ
Why are we here?
う。なんか変だなって思わない？
Don't you think it's weird?
気にしないで。
No, never mind.
とりあえずゲームを終わらせよう。じゃあまたね。
This translation's awful. Who did this? Okay, is this the first train? This doesn't look green to me. How do you know if it's green? Chatty, how can you tell? How can you tell? Watch out, she's got a cart. Ohayo gozaimasu! Let me get out of your way, ma'am. I'm a respectful foreigner. Trust. Buddha Maijin, welcome. Turn on your eyes. Dude, it's so dark in here. What the fuck? Green on the outside? Chatty, can you tell if it's... Yeah, I can't see shit. How am I supposed to know if it's an anomaly if I can't even fucking see it? I think we found one. I think we found one. We're supposed to keep going though, right? Because that one, it said... Why is she just staring at it? Yeah, it said, turn back if no anomaly. 異常があればお進みください. Yep, let's go. Thank you for showing me the way, Mr. Green-Eye-chan. I really appreciate you. Is that a guy or... Okay, listen. He looks so sick. He looks so cool. He's looking for his bag. Is anyone gonna help him? Oh shit. Asmonbald. That's rough, buddy. You hate to see it, man. Oh shit! Yes?
Ah,
Ah! Kane user, dude, that's my Bloodlord character after the fucking, the vacation.
お主、人間か
Yes? I hope so.
我が輩を騙すことは不可能。お主はスーツを着ている。
Yeah, what's wrong with that? I'm a salary man.
変だな。
How is it weird?
他とは違うようじゃな。
Yeah, because I'm a normal person.
それだけはわかる。して若者よ。どれくらいここにいるの
How long have been here for? I don't know.
列車の中で誰かに会ったか
Yeah, I met this future K-pop idol. A boy.
それはいいことかもしれん。
Why would that be a good thing?
我が輩の優れた観察眼と人生84年の経
It's
験か
been
ら言わせてもらう
84 years, the
と
meme? Wow, Chilla art based. Haha, Chilla art funny.
ここにいるほとんどの人は実際の人間ではないようだ。
Okay.
話しかけても反応は示すことはない。
Yeah, oh, is that why everyone's been ignoring me? They don't like humans?
まるでロボットのようだ。
Roboto no yoda.
我が輩は人間を見ればわかる。
Okay, can you help me then?
つまり我が輩の結論はスーツの人を信用するな。そういうことだ。
He's racist! He says my eyes can always tell if it's a human or not. And if you wear a suit, absolutely not. I'll never fucking trust you. He hates people in suits. This is crazy.
そう
This old man is
だな
yapping.
あとは
Yeah?
疲れた。
Dude, this old man's dead. This old man is dead. What the fuck happened? He's saying don't trust the feds?
眠らせてく
Wait,
れ。
that is one way to think of it. That is one way to think of it. But I'm wearing a suit. You think I'm a fed? Am I a fed? I'm wearing a suit in the game. Kick his cane. He is disrespecting the Lucy. Mods! Take away his cane!
その前に我が
He's dead. He's so dead. It's over. RIP! Well, Chatty, this angle makes it look like he has like a really nasty cum stain on his face. I don't know if you can see that. But it's quite unpleasant. Man got pancake mix all over that bitch. Fictional Insight, thank you so much for the tier 2 and 5 months. I appreciate it. Look, thank you. Turn back if no. Anomaly. Alright, keep looking, Chatty. Keep them eyes peeled. Keep them peelers peeling. Any anomalies here? Any anomalies? Any anomalies? Any anomalies? Let's go! Let's go! We can keep going! We can keep going! We're in 7 again. Wait. Wait, Chatty? Wait, think that might be normal. He's normal, by the way? It's normal to have eyes like that? How is he not an anomaly? He just scared me! I gotta go! I gotta go! I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go. Oh. We're safe, we're fine. Everyone pay good attention. No anomalies. Green Eye's normal in this game? Okay, noted. Yeah, cause why wouldn't it be normal, right? Is she supposed to stare at me like
Dude
that?
is just Ozzy Osbourne
Chatty, is she
doing
supposed
Ozzy
to stare at me
Osbourne
like
stuff.
that? I don't know if it's normal or not. The fuck? No, that's sus. She isn't. Turn back. She didn't look at us before. Okay, so that's an anomaly. That's gotta be an anomaly. This way forward. No anomaly in this area. How would you know? How would you know? Okay, chat, we're making progress, so that means we're guessing right. We're guessing right. We're good at this. We're really good at this. Anomaly. Anomaly. Okay, nope, that's the same girl from before. Let me get in here. Nope, she doesn't look at you. Okay, everyone keep that in mind. She doesn't look. Wait, what? Okay, he's still being a weirdo, still being a little freak. You know what? I'm not sensing any anomalies in here, Chatty. I'm not seeing any anomalies. Are you? No, I think we're safe here. No, looks good. Looks good. Yeah, I think we need to go back. We gotta go. Come on, back where we came from. It's where we belong. It's where we belong. Let's go! Yes! Okay, Chatty, this is 4, so this could be scary. All right, everyone. This could be intimidating. We're probably gonna get jump scared here. Hello? Alright, we're right here. We're gonna get jump scared, I can feel it. The death car. Alright, he's still looking? Still looking? Chatty, you see anything? Chatty? Chatty? Nothing here. Check legs. Check legs. Everyone, check the legs. We need to find out if we need to crease some Jordans here. I can't even see their legs. Wait, what's that noise? Ah! I don't like that. How did I miss that? I don't know how I missed that. Chatty, is there an anomaly in here? Is there an anomaly in here? This one's hard to figure out in here. This looks pretty normal. Yeah. It was looking kind of regular. Just a typical day. What? Child.
ねえ、お兄さん。僕たち生きて帰れると思う？
No. Think about your sister. Super serious welcome, Oshinoko. Andy and Laylee.
ねえ、僕たち。ねえ。
Okay, so I can't say anything to help this kid. I can't say shit. You know what? It's kind of pretty in here, though. Like, you know, you got like a little forest. You got a little tree. Nice, nice. You do love to see it. All right, what else? I still can't shit myself. That's okay. All right. Is this normal or not? Diagnosed hot. Welcome. Hello, ma'am. You're being regular. Okay. This guy is still got green eyes. That's normal. That's every single day around here. You should give your plant a tree friend. I should, but I can't go back, Chatty. It's over. Once you've left once, you can never return. Chatty, you see an anomaly? Do you see an anomaly, Chatty? I'm not seeing one. The old guy's kind of doing a nyan pose with his arm. You guys want to see cat girls wherever the fuck you look. You're just obsessed with cat girls, dude. Why? What did they do that was so worth it? Okay, we're turning back. We're turning back! Come on! This game is easy! We're fucking masters at spotting anomalies. I just said Ichi. That was our first mistake. There was an anomaly? Chat, there was an anomaly? What? Where? What? I didn't see anything. Did y'all see something? Green Eye guy stood up? I don't think he did. I don't think he did. Her ass was fatter. The cart had some weird shit. I need to check windows. Chatty, we're about to lose. We're gonna lose so bad. We're gonna lose so bad, dude. We're so fucked. We're so fucked. Check snack cart? Okay, we're checking the snack cart. What's in here? What do you have? Pocky? Nice. Nice. You got some sandwiches. You got some almonds. Looks pretty normal. Looks pretty fucking normal to me, honestly. Chat.
2 months, Pog.
Cretin Bull, thank you for the 2 months. Chatty, check her feet. What's wrong with her feet? Is there something wrong with her feet? Smell her butt? God, it smells good. Nah, I think she's normal. Shadi, I think she's normal. There's an anomaly? Jath, where? Where's the fucking anomaly? Point it out to me. Now, immediately. Now! I don't believe you. I'm getting one guide. Right there, shut the fuck up. Standing man, animal legs? What? No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. If he does, I'm gonna fucking laugh. Oh. Chatty, that's a tree trunk that with tentacles. Yuck. Yucky. You're so yucky, dude. What the fuck? Yucky. Ew. Okay, turn back if no anomaly. Yes, yes, of course. We're still at 1. We're still at 1. So far, we're doing okay. Alright, looking at that reflection. Looking at our reflection. Keep looking. Okay, you're normal. What's in your carts? You get out of my fucking way, bitch! Alright, your legs are normal. You're normal. You're normal. Anything weird here? You guys see anything? I'm thinking this place is normal. Thinking this is normal. Did you see it? Shut up. Don't do the YouTube thumbnail shit for me. Do not do the YouTube thumbnail shit with me. Absolutely not. Turn back. Turn back. Come on. What? I'm so dead. 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 Where the fuck was the anomaly? Where? 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 Chatty, lock in. Chatty, lock the fuck in. Lock the fuck in, Chatty. Lock the fuck in. Lock in. Oh. You right. She got some problems. Yeah, she's got some issues. Okay. This time, everyone, really close look, okay? Really close look. Really close. Look closely. Everyone looking closely. All right. Nothing there. Shadi, you hear something? Oh, it's the cart. Okay, what's in your cart? Same shit as always, Sweaty? Okay. Chatty, I really don't want to get caught by the ghost. I really don't want to get killed by a ghost. I really don't want it.
Lucy?
I really don't feel like it. Chatty? Raptor Mancer, thanks for the half-year anniversary. I appreciate it. Let me take a sip here. Maybe you should check her feet again, for reasons. You're such a sicko. You're so sick, Chatty. You're so entirely sick. Why are you like this? What happened in your life to make you be like this? Chatty, I think this place is normal, and what a nice ass she has. If there's an anomaly here, it was impossible for me to see it. I was blind. I had no clue. I had no idea. I really don't see anything. I really don't. Yeah, moment of truth. Please. People are saying the horns on the chairs. What? Wait, this isn't normal? I never even noticed these. Chatty? Are these weird? Chatty. Girl had green eye. Where? Which bitch? This bitch? Does she? I can't even see it. No, she doesn't have green eye. You don't see anything because you don't wanna. I can't tell if you're different. Yeah, me either. I wasn't even looking at that. Although they do look like... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no! Yeah! It's so over! It's so fucking over! I'm just gonna say it's different. I'm just gonna say it's an anomaly. I'm gonna say anomaly. We're gonna say anomaly. Lucy, sing us a song. Life could be a dream. Kill me. Kill me now. Kill me now. Kill me now. It's over. It's over. It's over. Just kill me now. Just kill me now. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. You think I'm afraid of you, pussy? You think I'm afraid of you, pussy? Come for me. Come for me. Come for me. Now! Ida! Ibada! Oh. That's it?
残り20。
I'm a little bit, anticlimactic, I would say. Oh! Green is go, red is stop. Wait, what? Wait, what? Turn back if no anomaly. Oh. What? Chatty? Chatty? This is so over. Does this count as anomaly? Yeah? Okay. Why are you so good at this? You scared me! Fucking scared me! Fucking scared me! Fucking scared me! Fucking scary! Chatty! Chatty is fucking scary here! I don't like it! I don't like it anymore. I don't like it. I don't fucking like it. I don't like this game. You could do it, you're Chatty's champ. Chatty! You need to be my emotional support! Chatty, you need to Oh! Huh? Your seat number 10.
Happy 12 months,
Chatty?
Lucy P. Head pats.
Seat number 10. Chatty? Chatty? How do I know which one is mine? Chatty? He's so scary. Keep going. Oh. Old man? Yes. Oh my god, it's the same dialogue. This fucking dialogue, man. Hey. Jose Mochi, thank you so much for the 1-year anniversary. Let's go! Oh my god, okay, ignore him. He's irrelevant. This game's scary now. Check phone again? I have a phone. The fuck? Okay, her cart's normal, her body is normal. Let me make sure that this bitch is normal. I can't see her legs, but it's really dark, so I'm just gonna assume that they're there. Everything's looking good. Everything looking good, actually. Y'all see some weird shit? Check card again. Did you hear that? No, there's nothing to hear. Chatty, there's nothing to hear. Every day's great at your Judas. Every day's great at your Judas. Everything's great at your Judas. Everything's great at your Judas. You're so creepy. You're so creepy. Everything looks the same. I'm going back, and if I swear to God, if I hear Ichi. Yeah, baby! Now sing the Japanese Junas song. I actually don't know that one. I actually don't know it. Hello? Are you normal? Are you a normal woman? Why are you never weird? Are you a real person? I don't believe she is. I don't trust her. I don't actually trust that bitch. Okay, your cart looks normal. You look normal. Nice. God, you got a nice fucking legs. You look normal. This looks normal. No windows open that we can see. Mr. Normal Leg Man. Imagine if one of the anomalies was that he no longer had a bald spot, and like if you didn't catch that, you just fucking lost the game. Anything? Anything? That has to be one. There has to be one like that. I don't know. Yeah, it looks normal. Looks really normal. This is Shinkansen 0 headed to Tokyo. Should I be paying more attention to this? Green glowing eyes? Yeah, that's normal, believe it or not. Believe it or not, we're just supposed to accept that as like regular, normal behavior. What a regular person. I can change, yeah. Really? Pay attention to everything. Yeah. We already paid attention to all of it. Don't worry. This is the worst game you guys could have recommended to me because it requires me to be observant, which I inherently am not. I don't see anything normal. I mean, I don't see anything abnormal. So if I'm wrong here, I'll just eat shit because I didn't see it at all. Let's go! Yatta! Are you normal? Nice fingers. Nice fingers. Nice. Anything here? Anything here? Anything here? Anything here? Anything here? Hello? Sup at this game. You took the wrong train last. No, I didn't. I'm on the right train. And I know what's normal and I know what's not normal. Hello? Is anyone gonna do some weird shit? Seems alright. Seems okay. Y'all see something? Read sign. Okay, let's read the sign. This is Shinkansen 0 headed to Tokyo. That looks normal. Looks normal. Where can we make game recommendations? On the Discord somewhere. Somewhere on there. I know the mods made like a thread or something. If I remember right. I don't see anything weird here. I don't see anything weird at all, actually. Chatty. God, you can see her toes. Do you notice that? You guys can totally see her toes. It's normal. It's normal, it's normal, it's normal, it's normal, it's normal. Oh, thank God. Easy. Easy. Easy W. Easy dub. Easy dub. Easy dub. Easy dub. Easy dub. Easy dub. Yeah, we'll be fine. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Yeah, just that easy. This game's shrimple! Can I shit myself yet? Still no. Okay. Fuck me then, whatever. Okay, come on. This time, make it easy, make it easy, make it easy, make it easy. Have something obviously wrong, and that'll make it really easy. Come on, something obvious, something non-lethal that is wrong. That would be a lifesaver right now. What's on your cart? Normal shit, normal shit. Okay, you're normal. Your feet looking normal. Windows looking normal. Me looking... Okay, I do have a reflection. I got worried there for a second. Things look normal here. Things look normal. This looks normal. Chatty, 1 for normal, 2 if crazy. Yeah, still bald as well. No vampire salary man. No, no, no. No, no, no. Is the suitcase the same? Yes. Yeah? This is looking normal. The sign. It's still the same sign. Chatty, it's the same sign. Don't worry. Everything is daijoubu. Same seat pattern. Everything's the same. Yes. Yeah. Different carpet. No, it's not. You're fucking one guy. You're fucking one guy. You're one guy, dude. Laptop lady, she's normal. She's normal. Normal girl. The landy is moving more. What are you talking about? What do you mean? What do you mean? The way people are trolling right now. I'm being trolled. Listen, we can afford to make one mistake, okay? We can make one mistake. But wait, we're succeeding. Chatty, we're succeeding. Chatty, we're succeeding. Chatty, we're winning. Ma'am? God, you're always doing the same shit. At the same time as you are a nice constant, you are irritating because you should have an anomaly so I can easily go to the next stage. Normal cart, normal cart, normal cart. Normal woman, normal feet, normal body. Normie, green eye dude, woman, whoever the fuck you are. Is normal. Normal? 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 Normal bald spot, yes, normal legs. Chatty? Did we just get no anomalies for the past, like, 5 fucking cars? Reflection. Yeah, we still have a reflection. It looks, signs normal. Seems too easy. Chairs are different. No, they're not! No, they're not! Stop trolling! Stop trolling. We've made 0 mistakes. Seat numbers. What? No, seat numbers are normal. They're normal. Stop fucking trolling. Can't believe she's not seeing it. I'm banning everyone. I'm banning everyone. I'm banning everyone here. Every single person. This is it, Chatty. This is it. This is it, Chatty. Ma'am? You're normal? Okay. Alright. Are you normal? Oh, she's pushing me. She's pushing me. Help! Tasukete! Tasukete! Tasukete, please! Tasukete! 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 Normal cart, normal body. You're normal? Okay, and the windows are alright. I want some! Could I have a hydration redeem? Let's go. Anomalous cake! The cake is alive! Chatty, the cake's alive. Cake's alive. Won't let me fucking eat it either. Alright, Chatty. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling real good. Come on. I have to do another one? Really? Please, something shrimple. Please, something shrimple. Please, something shrimple. Nice cart. Looking normal. Looking normal. You're looking good. Looking nice. Fat ass. Love to see it. Love to see your fat ass, honey. Anyone? It doesn't say to go back if anomaly. Wait, does it? This isn't another puzzle room. Wait. Let's read the sign. Wait. Yeah, I think this is just victory lap. I can just go? Okay, let's go. It is the Unten Shitsusoku okay, yeah, let's believe. Alright, victory lap. We won! We beat the fucking game! Hello? Telephone? 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 Phone? The fuck? Chatty? 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 What happened? Telephone? Nothing? You beat the game, did I? Go visit sister? Where's sister? One-chan! One-chan! Everyone's gone. Chatty, no one's here anymore. Chatty, we're gonna get jump scared. Chatty, we're about to get so jump scared, it's crazy. Oh! How is this a... Wait, this isn't a toilet? What? What? That's a sex room. Yeah, that's for sex. That's for sex, bro. This is for shitting. Can I pee pee? Can I go potty? Call buzzer? Wait, they have one in the toilet? You could just... Imagine letting out the loudest, nastiest shit of your life and you just, like, press the buzzer so the fucking conductor can hear you. That's amazing. I love that. I love that. Japan is such a funky country. Okay, I guess we'll just keep going until something happens. Chatty? Is this the rest of my life? Just wandering around the Shinkansen? Is there nothing left for me? Am I all alone? Chatty? The signs are back. Text on the floor. But wait, I thought that we finished it, so there's nothing there anymore. Are we still playing the game? I hope not. Chatty? Chatty? The numbers will count up. I'm trying to go back. We're trying to go back to the sister, Chatty. Chatty? I don't hear anyone saying Ichi. Hello? Hello? Someone? Someone? Hello? Come on. We're gonna get jumped, aren't we? Yeah, exactly. We're about to get fucking jump scared, dude. It's so obvious. They're gonna kill us. Yeah, there has to be a jump scare, dude. You have to be ready. Chatty, be ready. Chatty, be ready. Chatty, be ready. Chatty, be prepared. I don't want to look. 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 It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Battle stance ready. Yeah, I've been prepared this entire fucking time. Come on. Oh? Hello? What? Wait.
なるほど。
Oh, I see.
この列車は止まることはなくってループしていたんですね。
What?
でもこの列車を止めることができて。
Did the brother die? Is the brother still stuck there?
ループもしなくなったってことですよね。ああ。
What the fuck?
なんか違和感。
I have a weird feeling.
記憶がない。
I don't feel anything. No, I don't have any memory.
この列車に乗った覚えはないんですけど。
I saw your brother.
それは多分直樹です。きっと記憶をなくす前、直樹と一緒だったのね。なんでここにいるのかとか、何か言ってましたか？
Naoki Yoshida? Oh my god, it might have been actually Yoshi. No, you can ask him directly.
ありがとうございます。ここに来る途中に直樹はいましたか？
No, Bunny Coffee Addict, yes it fucking is, and welcome. Not after I stopped the train.
そうなんですね。なら列車に乗っている乗客をみんな連れて行きましょう。直樹は普通車側にいるはずですね。よし。ここから出ましょう。あ、でよく考えたら、次にここにまた誰かが来る可能性がありますよね。そんなことになったらかわいそうです。この列車をどうにかした方がいいんじゃないですか？
No! Bitch! We got ours! Let's go! Yeah, fuck them!
ループする列車。アニメか何かで見た気がする。
Bro, she's an otaku.
あ、思い出しました。なんかの番組で
What?
2人で反対方向にすごいスピードで走ってループを壊してました。どうですか？いや、列車はもうループしていないですもんね。ブレーキを踏んだらループしなくなったんですよね。あ、だったら一緒に
Yeah,
発車
she
させ
literally
た
said
ら
this
ど
is
う
just
で
like
す
my
か？
Japanese animes. I can't believe it. She's just like us.
両端から。
This seems like a terrible idea. Cause you don't know if it'll actually work and you could just start the loop again.
私は普通車側に行くので、グリーン車側に行ってもらってもいいですか？
No, let's find your brother and go. No! Yeah! Oh, I have to make a choice. I have to make a choice. Alright, Chatty. Let's get a poll. Are we agreeing with this crazy bitch? Or are we not agreeing with this crazy bitch? 1 if we agree, 2 if we do not. Let her cook. Fuck it, we ball. I don't agree, man. I gotta take care of this brother and her sister and like both of them. And this girl's stupid. We don't even know if it's actually gonna happen. She's crazy, too bad. Do not agree with women. I've never agreed with a woman in my life. Am I supposed to start now? Am I supposed to start now? Am I really supposed to fucking believe it? Stupid as hell. Like, where is she? She's literally admitting, she's like, I got this idea from anime. She has nothing, dude. You're like, let her cook? She's cooking nothing. It's fucking burnt. She's not wearing a bra. How does that affect the calculation? Can you see nipples? Am I not looking close enough? Saibot, thank you for the sub. Welcome to Cringe Empire. Blah, blah. What if she got it from hentai? Oh, well, then we have to agree with her. Then we have to agree with her. It's required. She can't even boil water. There's no cooking. Exactly. She's fucking burnt boiled water. How do you even burn water, bitch? How do you burn water? All right, let's see. Chatty, I'm not sure if you let me down or not. But I guess we have to go along with crazy women.
一緒に頑張りましょう。
Let's do our best then.
Lucy P. Rave Lucy P.
ま
Head
たこの列車
packs.
が動き出してしまう前に。
Slug Tunas, thanks for the 24 months, 2 fucking years. Let's go. Blah blah.
この列車をどうにかしましょう。
Never mind. I want to change direction. Okay, do I have to keep playing or is it? Do I have to keep playing? No. Yes? Other way? No. Didn't she say? Chatty? Chatty? Oh, it automatically took me here. Chatty? Yeah, I'm about to say, like, she totally took us back to the loop, didn't she? Oh. Chatty? Light? Are we dead? Kototo Saras, thank you for the sub. Welcome to Cringe Empire. Ending 1, get off the train. That's it? Where's the brother? Bad ending? How is this a bad ending? How did I mess it up? Anyone, just walk out. You can leave. You just left them? What? What? You did, that's why. What the fuck? Good. You know what? Good. Whatever. 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 Whatever, bro. Whatever. Okay, we're back to after stopping the train. Okay, and now we have to run back, I guess. Oh! Oh, is that what you guys meant? That was open the whole time? That was open the whole time? Am I stupid? Am I dumb? I can't believe I have to run all the way back. I can't believe I have to run all the way back, damn it! What a goofy and silly. I'm sorry, Chatty. I didn't know. I didn't know, my Chatty. It was my fault. It was my fault for being a goofball. Alright, surely at any time now, we'll be back to the sister. What is this? I'm singing. Shut up. Chatty? Chatty, am I? I'm not going in circles, am I? Chatty? 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 Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Everything's fine. Yeah, just a couple more. Just a couple more. Shh, no one tell her. Shut up. I got this. I know how to play the game. I'm good. Ohayo gozaimasu! It's her again. Women! Women, am I right? Okay, come on, 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 come on. Yeah. Your brother. Okay. No problem, no problem. I got this. Why couldn't I go through the door then, though? Raven Dawn's welcome. Okay, yeah. Alright, Chatty. Let's go back. Me when women speak every time. I hate when I will never let them speak, I'm sorry. Other way. No, this is the right way. This is the right way! See? I told you. I told you. You need to do the normal side for the ending? What? Chatty? What do you mean? Chatty, what do you mean by that? Isn't the normal side? I thought she said I need to go to the green car side, which is the car with the conductor shit. Right? Didn't you hear her? No, I skipped the women's words. I skipped women talking. It's the same fucking ending? Really? Oh my god. Chatty. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way. I have to do this every fucking time. I have to do this every fucking time. I have to do this every time I make a mistake. Gotta listen to a women now, Lucy. No! I don't care how many times they make me do it. I'll skip all her fucking dialogue. Ain't never gonna catch me letting another fucking woman speak on my stream. Ain't no goddamn way. Oh my god, Lucy, please. Thanks for the 4 months. I appreciate it. Wow, thank you. Thanks. Let me, take a hydrate redeem. Just press this little go forward button here. Robin Chaos, welcome. Next time, go in the opposite direction. Okay, I will. I will, but I really thought I was going the right direction. I really thought, Chatty. I really thought. I thought I was in the right for once, but I should have known better than to trust myself ever. I won't do it again. I won't. You won't catch me making the same mistake. There's only one direction, Lucy. I love One Direction. I love reading fanfic of One Direction kidnapping me and putting me in the basement. And my family selling me to One Direction. I love One Direction. It's base as fuck. Wish they'd get back together. Come on, where's the woman? Where's women? Where's women? She makes us wait too long. She makes us wait too fucking long. This fucking game, dude. This fucking game. I swear to God. Also, I like how that ending implies I like fucking scammed her. I was like, yeah, I'll do it. Trust. Don't worry. I'll totally do what you want. No problem. That'd be easy for me. And then I just turn around and fucking bust it to the other side of the train and I walk out. Survival of the smartest. That's me, a male in a suit. You know what they said? They said don't trust the guy in the suit. Well, they were right. It's your fault, bitch. Alright, hydration? Have you played Undertale? No. I guess I'm not based enough for that. Okay, this time no messing up. This time no messing up. I won't fuck up. I won't fuck up. I won't fuck up. Everyone say it. Everyone say it. Lucy, you won't fuck up. Lucy, you won't fuck up. Lucy, you won't fuck up. I 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 won't do it. I won't do it. Chatty? 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 Have you got to tell her to change direction? Dialogue matters. The fuck? Okay. Alright, which way do you want to go? Normal car side? Normal? My brother's on the other side. Can I trust you with my brother? Yes! Yeah, exactly! Why the fuck wouldn't you trust me? I could have beat his ass anytime I wanted to, and I didn't! Chipsy, thank you for the baby! Congratulations! Thank you! She trusts me, Chatty. She trusts me, the man in the suit. What a fool. What a fucking fool. She has no clue. She's literally the clueless emoji. Male equals trust. Dude, she's just like me for real, for real. What an idiot. Oni-san. Little brother. Ototo. Ototo. Doko. Doko. Itsumo no kurashi ni moshimo no sonae. Bosai Japan! Nice. Wrong way again. No. There's no wrong way, Chatty. There's no such thing. What does Bosai mean? Great question. If I knew, I'd tell you. Other way, Lucy. Shut up! Chatty? Chatty? Sugar's gone! This caramel syrup is a little dark to be caramel syrup. I think it's molded, perhaps. Might be a little... Something might have happened, maybe. Anyone in the shitter? Any shitters in the chat right now? Oh no. Oh, Nissan. Ototo. I'm running. I'm not gonna stop running. I'm gonna keep running. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. Catch me running. Catch me not looking back. I'm running! 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 I knew it! I saw it coming! I saw it coming in my third eye! I saw it coming! 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 I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! Chatty? Did we win? No one ever looks back? You'll never catch me looking back. You'll never catch me looking back. Wait, it's so pretty. Look, Chatty. Nice view. But, what's happening? Why can't I move? Chatty? Am I just supposed to wait for the train to stop? You needed to look back. No, I didn't. But what if there's a beautiful woman behind you? Oh, we're at the station! Oh, what a nice station! Women don't go. Oh!
お兄さん来たんだね。待って
I
た
had to run away from a scary fucking monster.
お姉ちゃん起きたんだね。
Aww.
直樹
Aww.
無事でよかった。
お兄さん僕はもう大丈夫だよ。
Are you sure?
そうだお兄さんも一緒に来る？
Yeah, I wanna be your father. I'm gonna fuck your sister.
そうですね。来ない方がいいと思
Wait,
い
what
ま
does
す。
that make you? Wait, if you fuck someone's sister, if you fuck someone's sister, and then she has a brother, what do you become to the brother? Question mark? I'm so lost right now.
なんだか
なんだか。
私たちに何が起こったか分かった気がします。
I think I know what happened to us.
心配しないでください。
It's okay, mister.
私たち
We're
は
going
大
to be
丈夫です。
fine. Dude, they're ghosts, aren't they?
それよりもう私たちは行きますね。
Huh? No, they didn't say you have to get home. They said we have to get home.
本当にありがとうございまし
We
た。
have to go.
さようなら。
What? What? Yeah! I have to go! No, I can't stay on the train! Chatty.
気がつきましたか。
Huh?
あなたは床に倒れていたんですよ。
You fell on the floor.
目が覚めてよかったです。
Glad that you woke up.
お医者様が乗っていたんですよ。
軽い静脈血栓塞栓症でした。
Huh?
いわゆるエコノミー症候群ですね。
What the fuck is that?
体を横にして足を上げることで良くなったようです。
Ugly bastard sexy!
本当によかったです。
It's going to happen.
この方は命の恩人と言っても過言じゃないです。列車が止まっているせいで救急車を呼ぶこともできなくて最悪数分前に起きた人身
Chatty, did I just have like crazy dream delusions?
その事故でこの列車はしばらく止まっている
Oh my god, who is that?
失礼します。事故には若い女性と少年が巻き込まれていることが確認されました。
What accident? What accident? No, what accident? It's the sad reality. What? Why are they walking on train tracks? Chatty? Chatty, what happens here? What happened in this fucking family? Also, my chat is fucking lagging for some reason. I don't know what's happening. You helped them move on? How did I help them move on? The dude was reporting on it as if it was a recent thing that happened. This song is safe to use on YouTube. Oh my god, thanks, Chilla. Isen's third, welcome. How's it going? They went to the afterlife or something. You cleansed the ghost? There's this rumor about a Shinkansen that leads you to hell. Oh. Is there another ending? Is there another ending, Machati? Question mark? Have you mute since I taught you how? Yeah, I have mute. I've been getting more and more chatly every single day. No, don't think so. Nope, just that too. What? That's it? That's it? There's 7 endings. Wait. Chatty, how the fuck are there only 2 endings? Hold on, let me look it up. Let me look it up. many endings does Shinkansen Zero have? 2? Well, Chatty, once upon a time, I believed in the sanctity of video games. But I feel like this game did not give me enough to work with. I don't think this game gave me a lot to work with. I installed the Minecraft mods. Well, at least you didn't get sick and died from this game. True, I did not get sick from this game. It did not give me motion sickness. God bless. You actually finished the game 100% completion? Is that my first time? Is that my first time ever doing something like that? Wow! I'm not a failure. Wait, there's more achievements. What's the other achievement? Chatty, I have 2 achievements not in the game. Easy mode? But Chatty, I don't even think easy mode is what you think it is. I think easy mode just like makes it to where you don't have to repeat a bunch of shit you've already done. 8-year liver, thanks for the 14 months. I appreciate it. Blah blah, thank you. Let me take a shrimp. Looking back at the monster, maybe. Why is there a monster though? Why? Because if the plot is about making the sister and the brother move on, why is there a monster? Unless the monster is the fucking family. Them. Is it? Is that the Grim Reaper? What if it's just like a shadow? I bet it's a fucking shadow, dude. Because economy class is full of monsters. The monster represents the accident, perhaps? It represents society. We really do live in a society, Chatty. Could it be an Oni? Maybe you'd know if you looked. You'll never catch me looking! I may be a white girl. That doesn't mean I'm gonna act like a white girl in a horror movie and look back at the monster like, while I fucking run, like putting my head over my shoulder to look at the monster. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not stupid! Well, I am. I'm not gonna say I'm not stupid, but I'm not that level of stupid, okay? I've done dumb things, but I've never done things that fucking dumb before. But don't you love monsters? Well, I'm just saying a monster, like a tree monster with the vines or whatever, might be kinda, you know. 8-year liver, thanks for the 14 months, and thanks for helping me not respond to that inquiry. Really helps me. Well, Chatty, I don't really want to end the stream super early, so I think that we will enjoy our day by playing a little bit of Supermarket Simulator. Tomorrow we're gonna play some Noomcraft. I don't know what to expect. It's been forever since I fucking played Minecraft. And when I did play it, I was terrible. So we're gonna have to learn a lot together, Chatty. Once again. The fuck? Who the fuck just what the fucked me? Who did this? Who did this? Wait, chat, this game has music? I just heard music. Did you guys hear that? Am I crazy? I might be crazy. It's alright. I accept being crazy. I guess we both heard it then. Maybe I'm not delusional. I'm not delusional. I'm not delusional. I'm not delusional. Here, this one. That's the right. Hello? Video? Video? Oh, there we go. I found it. I did it. All right, let me put on my work hat. I gotta get ready for work, Chatty. It's hard out here. All right. This should help us. This is gonna get us mad customers and mad pussy from the customers.
Lucy P. Hart.
Ready to run my store for a couple days. Chatty heart! Chatty heart! Chatty heart! Chatty. Sex. Alright, we have some nice music here. Legend of Zelda, Slange Cultish. Thank you for the 5 months, I appreciate it. Is that a hydrate? Let me take a fucking shrimp. Hell yeah. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! How much money did I make? All the money! $1,173! Total profit! Don't worry about it. Yeah, that's what we like to see. That is what we like to see. No errors. No errors. We're getting out of the fucking supermarket with this one and we're becoming a mega market. Oh shit. I remember that did I take out another loan? I did, didn't I? I took out a loan! I took out a big ass loan! Oh god. Chatty, I took out a fucking gigantic loan. Yeah, take out one loan to pay off the other? Based! Why didn't I think of that? This better all be good. Whatever I put in this cart had better be accurate, because I swear if it's not, if I start putting this shit on shelves and it cocks me, I'm gonna start crying! I will cry! Do not make me cry! Please! Oh shit, let's go! Let's go! 25% APR? Based! Based! How perfect! Game window's a little funky, by the way. Oh, is it? Oh, you're right, it is. You're right, it is. Let me see if this fixes it. Let me see if this fixes it. Right here. There we go! I fixed! Professional streamer, by the way. Listen, errors come up, you just have to fix them immediately. Otherwise, you're a failure. That's how it works. I have so much fucking sugar, it's insane. You come to my store, you come healthy, you leave diabetic. That's the type of business that I am running. And if you don't like it, I think you should get the fuck out. Don't even come. I don't want to see you here. I don't want to see your ass in my store! Okay, we got some white powder here. For when the girlies want to powder their noses in the bathroom. She sells diabetes. I do. It's an American store. Duh. This is the most American store you've ever seen in your life, bitch. I swear if anyone gets stuck today, I'm gonna start crying immediately. I won't hesitate. I will just immediately start with the waterworks. Okay. We're almost ready to open shop, chatty. We're almost ready. I already got diabetes from watching your stream. Oh my god. Wait, is that a good thing? Wait, chatty, is it good? Is it good to get diabetes? It needs to be on a shelf. Oh wait, I thought this was chicken. I thought it was chicken, but it's potato. It's potato. Whoops. Whoops. And a really shitty profit margin for it as well. Really bad. Really not good. Could not recommend. Do you see that? Fucking $4 or something a pack. And then you can only have 4. And it takes up a crazy amount of space. That's terrible. That's terrible. Oh my god, Animal Crossing music. You guys are so educated that you know all these musics. Been busy playing games instead of jerking off to me? Fuck you. Stop playing video games. Stop playing video games and touch your penis, please! Please! I'm not gonna ask twice! We got so much fucking chocolate, dude. We got so much fucking chocolate, bro! Shit! What else do we need? I think we're missing... Do we have dark roast coffee? We don't have dark roast coffee. We need dark roast coffee, chatty. And we need it now. Let's get that. And let's get dark roast coffee. And then we should have some good fucking shelves. Coffee lit. Can we play with each other's cocks? Yeah, go ahead. Only if I can watch, though. Wink, 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 wink. Lucy will get canceled for sexually harassing her community. God bless. I'm wearing a fedora hat. If you don't want to be sexually harassed, you're clearly in the wrong fucking stream right now. Okay, we got our Milky here. We can fill one more shelf. We can put some more shit on the shelf. Soap. We could buy soap. Do we have money for soap? We do. We have money for soap. We could buy honey. We could buy honey. Let's buy honey. Oh shit. Butter. Butter and soap. And then once we have that, we're ready for business today. We're gonna make so much fucking money. So much fucking money that it's like, it's barely even gonna feel like we lost anything, chatty. It's gonna feel like we lost nothing. Add butter. We have a lot of butter. Add some butter. And then you're gonna wanna add a shot of vodka. 1 shot of vodka. God, I love butter. I love how satisfying it is to put butter on these shelves. I wish I were Paula Deen. She knows how to use butter so good. Maybe I could learn how to butter Chatty up from her. Ow! If you want to kill me, imagine how I feel. Imagine how I feel. Imagine how I feel. Please come to my store. Please come to my store. Please come to my store. Thank you, sir. Please come to my store. Please come to my store. Hello? 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 Face first customer. Dude, did he not find something? Chat, what did he not find? What did he not find? Stop talking to that male. Hey, you wanna cuck Chatty on stream? It'd be funny, you wanna cuck Chatty on stream? You wanna... Wait, you are Chatty? Chatty, you're supporting my store? Chatty, you're so sweet. I'm so happy. You come to my store. That's another Chatty! This guy is now Chatty. Every person who looks like this guy is now called Chatty and nothing less. That is who he is on the inside, in his heart. They said I don't have any crispy chocolate cereal. What? Oh, which one is that? Oh, it's this one. Don't worry, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you covered. Don't even worry about it. You're freaking out over nothing. Over nothing. Could somebody buy something so I could please fucking... Please? Price check mozzarella and check soda. What? Soda. Soda good. Soja good. Soja good. Soja boy, tell him. Soja boy up in it. Oh, let me crack it, watch me roll. Watch me crank that Soja boy and Superman. That's all I mean, and you crank that Soja boy. Do I even have mozzarella? I don't have mozzarella. Chatty, I didn't buy any mozzarella. I didn't buy any. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Edible. Okay, now we can get the mozzarella right here. Hell yeah! Hell yeah, we got some... Lucy, the register? We're fine. We're fine. Listen, bitch. You shouldn't even need me to check you out. Although I will check you out if you catch my drift. I don't have any fucking cereal. I'm a cereal lit right here. Here, put the cereal right here. It's not organized or neat, but it is there. That's what matters. That's what's important. Oh, wait. I had mozzarella this whole time? I had mozzarella this whole time? That doesn't look like mozzarella. It looks like mochi or some shit. Am I crazy? Oh, I might have made it a little expensive. I might have some expensive fucking mozzarella. It's a sliced ball? Why is it like that? Oh shit. Do you think she's like likes chocolate or something? Just wondering. I think she might enjoy chocolate. It's her again. Staring at that ass. God, every woman in this game is fucking built like a brick house, baby. $42. Good. Why is everyone coming to my checkout now? Nobody was coming over here earlier. Nobody gave a shit. $67.88. I feel like you shouldn't have been able to order that many groceries from me without spending a fortune, so I need to correct my prices right now. $29. $24. I want only the richest of rich people to shop at my store. Mike Browski, thank you for the gift sub. Booba, thank you. Alright, let's check this shit out. 30. 36. Me buying 2 gallons of chocolate milk every 4 days. Is there chocolate milk in this game? And if so, why haven't I gotten it yet? I want to sell chocolate milky. I want to sell the chalky milk. How the fuck do you have the product slider on the left? This is so triggering. You want to be really triggered? Hand soap. Cake mix. Dish detergent. Salt. Cereal. Shampoo. Cake. Tea. Potatoes. Bread. Oil. Coffee. Coffee. And more bread. More bread. Don't you fucking tell me whatever about the product slider that's pissing you off. There are way worse problems in this store for you to direct your attention towards than that shit. Okay? Why do I feel the need to keep checking them for, like, anomalies? That game is stuck in my head now. Bad Habitat, thank you so much for the 4 months. I appreciate it. What, chat? Make sure to check the customers for anomalies, alright? Can't be letting these bitches get away with shit. You can get away with nothing, and you will be happy. You will own... Oh my god, he's so spiffy. He's so spiffy! Cool! Looks like he's on his way to a wedding. The girl's ass too fat. Ain't no such thing. Ain't no such thing as an ass that's too fat. You sound delusional to me. I ain't never heard of a bitch with an ass too fat. And I never will. Stop looking at other males. But chatty! Every male in here is chatty! Every single one! You ever see some drama on the internet that makes you think to yourself, it's a great day to not watch male VTubers? Have you ever had that happen to you? I had that happen to me recently. It was a funny little thought. Funny little thought in my brain. You know?
Hey,
1,
Lucy,
2, 3,
you
4.
alright? Why you playing Supermarket Simulator? Also thanks Ogion for shipping the awesome mousepad all the way to Norway less than 3.
Oh my god, base! So they shipped it all the way there? I can't believe they think Europeans have rights! I only watch one male VTuber. Emerald? Emerald? Wait, this is a female too. No, this is crazy. This is crazy. They watch a male VTuber. Holy shit. I don't think I do, actually. I'm trying to think. Have I? I don't think so. I've watched some male VTuber debuts from, like, Corpus. I've watched some of those. But I don't think I've ever... I don't think I've ever watched, like, you know, consistently. I think I'm just a sex pest, so I just want to watch women. I watch, like, 3 extra. You watch everyone. Name a single streamer you don't watch. That'd be probably harder for you. You could bring up somebody... Like, literally somebody who's never streamed before. And extra would be like, yeah, I hang out in their offline chat all the time. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean, dude? Does Beetle in turtle form count? Oh. Does it? I mean, you're asking the real questions here. Alright, we're checking more bitches out. My least favorite part of this game is trying to keep track of all the shit that you need to buy. By far, the most frustrating. Twitch says he's a female streamer. How does it make you feel, chatty? How does it make you feel that the spot of top female streamer is taken by a man? Base Twitch misogyny! Base Twitch misogyny! How does it fucking... Oh shit. How does it fucking feel? How does it feel, bro? It takes a real man to become best girl. He really took that shit to heart. 48.63. Sometimes, chatty, I wake up in the middle of the night and my penis is standing up. What does it mean? What does it mean if my pee-pee up? Should I be scared? Is it bad? Mine too? Your pee-pee gets up too? My pee-pee gets up and it stays up. My pee-pee never stops being up. I get scared because my pee-pee, sometimes I think it'll never go back down. But it does go back down and then I feel better, but then I get scared again. Because what if pee-pee stay up forever one day? What if pee-pee not go down? What do? Gotta see a doc for that? Nacho, welcome. Is it dangerous? Is pee-pee go up, not down, danger? Should I be afraid? I am already afraid. Don't make me afraid. Don't make me afraid. I'm already scared. I'm already intimidated. Be careful with that shit. Be careful! Okay, we have to pay bills. Let's pay our bills, chatty. Where are my bills? Where are my bills? I'm a responsible woman. I'll pay them. I'll pay all of them. Every last bit. Where's it at? I forgot. If Switch stay up for more than 6 hours, call a rectrician. A rectrician? That's so good! I wish I were as good as you. What the fuck? That's great. I'm gonna call the electricianer. Nice! Hey, yo, but we made profit today, chatty. We made some fucking money. You see that? Big gains. Big gains. And with that loan that we took out, so totally worth it. So totally worth it, it's crazy. Oh, the cost of cereal changed. That's not good. That is not what you like to see. I'm about to trigger even more people with this setup. But what are they gonna do? Stop me? They can't. Wait. Hold on. Let's put this here. Can I put that? No, I can't. Okay. That's fine, I didn't need to. I'll just put some more flour over here. Organize your shelves. It's not that easy. They make it difficult with like the different types of fucking box and whatnot. Okay? This shit's harder than it looks. It's hard. It is hard. Alright, we got some cereals. Milk and cereal, cereal and milk, cereal and milk. Are you mad that it's like not next to each other? Oh shit. Wait, chat. I can correct this. I can correct this. I can fix this. Check this out. Ah! If PP go up for like 12 hours straight, there are a lot of chances that PP never go up again. Is that real? Wait, really? That's scary. If your PP stay up too long, it's dangerous? Yes? Chatty, how do you make sure PP don't go up too long? What do you have to do? I'm scared. I don't want my PP to go up for too many long. I don't want it to stay up, man. I'm trying to be cautious here. Jork it? Just rub hard. Why does this feel like grooming? I'm like, Chatty, what should I do if my PP go up? And Chatty's like, jork it. Jork the PP. Jork it now. Chatty, we're gonna get in trouble. Calm down. Wait, where should I put the... Oh no, this isn't gonna be nice and orderly. This is gonna be the opposite of nice and orderly. This is bad. This is bad. Oh my god, and I'm all out of like light roast coffee. I didn't even notice. Close stream as a precaution. Okay, stream's over, guys. Everyone, stream is over. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate... Oh, sorry. Fuck. I fucked up. I said thank you for coming. You know what? I deserve... Whatever's coming to me, I deserve it. I deserve every last bit of it. I deserve pain. I deserve suffering. I can no longer deny the truth. It is what it is. It may never get better. Yeah, put all that shit right there, baby. Oh my god, I'm gonna put it right there. That's right. Yeah, right there, right there. Right there, right there. I got some cheese. I got some cheese. Yeah. I'm filling up the cheese. I'm filling up the cheese so hard. Oh yeah, the cheese. Okay, and then we have some cereal. Honey Nut Cheerio. Not the cheese. She hit that cheese spot. Fuck off, man. What the fuck is this chat? Your name is Gooper Gooner and you're asking me what the fuck this chat is? Shut the hell up. I know exactly what you are and you know that we know exactly what you are, you little bitch. What's up, people? I love your content, Lucy. And here we have a nice new chatter. Welcome in. Everyone be nice and normal. Behave. Behave! Why does nobody want to buy my pizza? Why does nobody want to buy my pizza? Buy my fucking pizza. Buy it now. Now. I won't wait. I need you to buy my pizza immediately. Okay, we got light roast, pasta elbows. We need eggs. And let's get some cake. And let's get some peanut butter. And some coffee. No. We don't need the coffee dark roast. We need the tea. We need tea. Get that dark roast out of here. There we go. We got some peanut butter. That should be everything, right? That should be all we need for the day. We're doing good. We're all stocked up. Now the shelves might not look that great. But that's because people have standards that are just too high. And if you put a random little box somewhere, it's not gonna hurt a soul. No one's gonna get upset. Wait, I do need to buy more dark roast. Fuck! 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 Pussy! Come, fuck. Damn it. Fine. We have the eggs in here. That's all that matters. We're filling these fridges up. If our fridges aren't full, our hearts will also not be full, ever. Okay. Did I not realize that there was already cake here? Okay, there's also cake mix. That's fine. Let's just have some extra cake. No big deal. How's she still in business again? Because I'm just that fucking good. And you're mad. You're mad that I'm that good. But guess what? It'll never change. It'll never change. I'll never stop being the GOAT. I'll never stop being the fucking GOAT. Ever. No matter how much you cry, no matter how much you plead, no matter how much you beg, no matter how much you get on your knees. I'll never stop. I'll never quit. I will continue to thrive. I exist despite the haters. I exist despite the people who call me cringe. For they are correct, but guess what is also correct? I fuck your mom nightly. Oh! Easy. It's that easy. Just dunk on them. Just fucking dunk on them. They deserve it. They deserve it for being mean to Lucy. Am I right? Good for her. Oh my god. You want me to fuck your mother? Chatty, why didn't you say so? Why do you want me to fuck your mother? Feels like there's gotta be a secret plan behind all of this. Oh, is that a hijack theme? Base, let's fucking go. Please fuck my mother, Lucy. Let this be a sign to anyone lurking that you shouldn't become a VTuber. Because people will post in your chat that they want you to fuck their mom. They'll say good for her. And then they'll just say random shit like that to you. And they won't even think twice. Like, it'll never even occur in their heads that, like, maybe I shouldn't say you should fuck my mom. Honestly, it's based and it's ballsy. But how much can my mental endure? So you can become my dad. You want me to be your dad? Oh wait, no, now I get it, now I get it. Where the fuck is the... Oh, okay, it's my fault. It's my fault, because I was sorting by, like, shit that was not this. Cleaner. Toilet paper. Dude, we're so stocked right now. Open the fucking store. There's nothing left for us to do. Other than put this shit... Fuck me! Put this shit on the shelves and wait for absolute victory. Check it. More cleaning supplies. More cleaning! More cleaning! Toilet paper! I need to wipe my ass, please! My ass, please! Alright, we're gonna put that right there. Any ass wipers in the chat? Any ass wipers? Anyone? Any wiping of the ass right here? Any ass of the wipe? Me? Alrighty, chatty. Remember to wipe your ass after you use the potty, okay? This is very essential. It is important that you do this. You will do this for me. Why did I buy more yogurt? Why did I do it? Why did I do it? Why did I do it? Chatty, why did I do it? Yo, Chatty, do you wipe front or back? If you're a woman, you have to wipe from front to back. But it's like impossible. It's impossible. So what you end up doing is God's tiniest back wipe. You do God's smallest back wipe and you concentrate very hard to concentrate it in a very specific location. You must do your best at this. You cannot fail or you will die. Side to side? Yeah, you do some side to side action. Very true, very true. Well, that's what you get for having a Gurgina. Okay, alright, I understand. There's a lots of words for everything these days, especially with the way Gen Z likes to censor things to get clout on social media. There's lots of ways to say things. One that I will not accept, however, is whatever the fuck Gurgina is. If you said Gurgina to me, I just want you to know, you're not forgiven. I won't just sit down and take that up the ass. Ain't no way. Ain't no way you're gonna say that shit to me. I won't allow it. I will not tolerate. You fucking come to my place just to buy some Debbie cakes, you fat bitch! Just me too. God, I love Debbie cakes. I fucking love Debbie cakes. I love the fudge rounds. I love the honey buns. I like that one birthday cake flavor thing. God, they're so good. They're so fucking good, man. Zebra cake, nice. Nice, decent. Not my favorite. Cosmic brownies, good shit. Good shit. Hell yeah, cream pies. Oh, not really my thing. Oh, there used to be this one, maybe it's still sold, but I haven't had it in literally forever. There's this one that's like, it's chocolate, but it has like jelly in the center. Have you ever had that? Anon, thank you for the gift sub to Lucy Wants the D. Thank you for pointing out the fucking obvious. I'm glad everyone knows I'm a femcel. It's not like I've ever said that myself with my own damn words, my own mouth! Anyway, Nox, thanks for the gift sub to Skeleton Dude as well. I appreciate it, thanks. Thanks. Java cake or something? No, that's not it. Stardew OST? Yeah, this is reminding me I need to play the new patch. Lucy, a femcel? No! Holy mother of God. Jesus, do you see all this shit she bought? How much fucking money do you have? How much do you have? I mean, it's good for business. But what the fuck? 169? Is she flirting? Bro, she's fucking flirting with my ass. Neil, thank you for the 3 months. I appreciate it. Dude, she wants to fuck hard. She wants my dick. She wants my penis. I heard you can drink mayo in Stardew. You can now. Did you know that apparently Concerned Ape hates mayonnaise? Yeah, apparently he like hates it a lot. And so it's kind of like funny that he allows it to be eaten now. And the real reason he didn't allow it to be eaten was, I guess, because the idea of eating raw mayo was so disgusting to him that he just fucking lost his mind and would refuse to let you eat it. But now you can. I heard that the villagers react to it very badly if you do it in front of them, though. Is it true? Townspeople react to it? Wait, it's true? That's so fucking based. That's so fucking based. Ugh. Honestly, I don't blame them. Do they lose affection for you? I need to find a freak who's okay with me eating raw fucking mayonnaise. Dude, Linus better be okay with it. That one homeless guy, he better be okay with it. Ain't no fucking way that you rummage through trash cans and then you see me drink mayo and you're like, ew, ew, shut the fuck up. I can drink mayo if I want to. Be nice. Don't knock it till you try it. Oh, 90 cents. Good. There's a mayo-based soup out there? What? Digital Ghost, thank you for the sub. Welcome to the Cringe Empire. Blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Dude, they're fucking buying my ass out. It's so hard to keep track of like all the different things you're selling out of in this game. I need to get that second cashier pronto stat. Bro, stepped away for 1 second. We're talking about some ghoul shit like drinking mayo. That's ghoul shit. Do you guys remember my mayo banana sandwich? Is that ghoul shit? One, if that's ghoul shit. Two, if you've tried it before and you know it's good shit. Ghoul shit versus ghoul shit. Chatty, I want to do a room rating stream. I want to rate your rooms. I want you guys to send me pictures of your rooms. 1. No! Don't betray me! No! You're supposed to try it! You're supposed to... you have to try it. You have to try it. You have to give it a try. Come on now. Come on now. No! No! Be nice! Chatty, why is bleach labeled as a drink? Supermarket Simulator, what do you want me to do? I was waiting for the loot tier god. Oh my god, what great timing. You ever tried it? No, please don't try drinking bleach, Chatty. I promise it's not tasty. Don't eat the Tide Pods, even if they look kind of colorful and nice. Oh yeah, buy all my fucking stock, bitch. Buy every last cent. Every last iota. I don't want anything in my store by the end of today. Not a damn thing. 6684. Any other buyers? Any other shoppers? Any other nighttime shoppers today? Hi, Chatty! How do you know if you've never tried it? Well, here's how I know. Have you ever tasted the smell of bleach? Hi! 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 Hi, Barbie! Yes. Have you ever gone into a bathroom after you cleaned it and then started coughing? Like, have you ever done that? Well, one thing that I assume is if smelling it makes you almost die, it's probably, and this is just a theory. This is just a theory. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I am a woman. I could be wrong. But my theory is that it's not healthy to consume it if the smell alone is revolting. But again, like, this is all just me being a schizo. I'm just being a schizo, Chatty. As I like to do. What are we missing? Okay, we have cleaner, we have bleach, we have hand soap. We need toilet paper. We need the right to shitty. To shitty and pissy. We need dishwasher tablets. Come on, drink. I was afraid it was gonna show me the cleaning products again. Okay, we got soda. Do we have water? Okay, we need more water. We need more. Damn, we need a lot more drinks. We need to buy more drinks, chatty. We need milk, we need water, we need more soda, we need apple juice, we need orange juice, we need more soda, we need everything, we need even more bottled water. Holy shit, we already have enough for tomorrow. We're already stocked, man. Alright, last day of the day. Last day of the day. Oh shit, I think I forgot to pay rent. I think I forgot to pay rent! Oh no! Chatty, they're gonna kill me. They're gonna fucking take it out of my kidneys. God, that's such a fucking big repayment, holy shit. Chatty, I shouldn't have taken out the loan. I shouldn't have taken out the loan. I shouldn't have done it. But wait. Chatty. Check. Two bros. Standing in a supermarket simulator. 5 feet apart, but they are extremely gay. And in between checking out customers, they tongue each other in the mouth. Hot! Okay, I never have to do anything at all anymore, ever again. I can just buy shit. And that is extremely fulfilling as a woman. I don't think you understand. I can just sit here and buy and look at catalogs and pick things and make things nice and organized. And it's gonna be so fucking good. I'm gonna shit myself with joy. Holy fuck. Woman moment. I am having a woman moment. Aren't you proud of me? Chatty, I'm becoming more feminine and girly. People used to tell me I was too masculine because I wouldn't shower and I had a penis. But I'm actually gonna become extremely feminine now because I'm ready. I'm ready to embrace my femininity and start shopping. Let's go! Alright, let's put this in here. Get loaded in. Dude, there's so much soda. Every time you buy a case of soda, it's fucking so full. I love this arc for you. Thank you. I love my feminine arc as well. I'll also become more delusional as time goes on. I could probably just open the store since I'm just like stalking, but I'm over here being stubborn and not doing that. But I should. But I won't. But I will. I will. I'll do it. I'll do it. What the hell? I'll do it. I'll do it. Come on. Okay, yeah, get in here. Delusional how? Lucy, your schlong is very feminine. Aw, thank you. 600 pounds of nothing but pure womanly energy. I love it. I love my gawk. My gawk is pretty. Chatty, would you enjoy taking my gawk? Nice gawk. Nice gawk, Lucy. Nice gawk. Nice gawk. I feel so fulfilled as a woman right now. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Wait, is this even more water? Oh, nice. Okay, is that it? That's it. Oh my god. Okay. Well, now we have to fill these shelves. We have to fill these shelves. Oh shit. Okay, we need peanut butter. We need oil. Oh god, we need oil. And we need more cereal. We need more cereal. We need cereal. Milk and cereal. Yeah, we need a lot of cereal. We need a lot of that. Every cereal. We need those 2 cereals. We need edibles, chatty. Edibles? Any edibles here in the chat? Any at all. Any at all, we'll take it. Basically everything needs lube. We don't have lube. We don't have lube, chatty. That's why our store's gonna fail. We don't fucking have lube. We don't have shit. If you don't have lube, just shut your store down. If you don't have lube, you better not even open. Nobody wants to see your disrespectful ass putting that on the shelves. Because if you don't have lube, you don't have what the people need. You may as well be a scammer at that rate. I'm being so head empty right now. Good Lunchables. They sell Lunchables in this game? If they did, it would be based. And that's why they don't have it. This game is horribly unbased. You can't have sex with any of the big titty customers. That's why I hate this game. I can't believe people scammed me into spending my time on this fucking game. Where's the benefit? Where's the benefit? When do I take a W? When do I get to finally have sex? I have to be a femcel even in game? Hell no, next game I play better have segs in it. If there's no segs, I'm not playing. Customers should have an affection bar. True and real. We should get to interact with the customers. We need to build a customer connection. We need to know how they feel. Chatty, why do I keep buying sugar? Chatty, why do I keep doing it? Why do I keep fucking buying sugar? More and more fucking sugar. Why am I doing this? It's an accident. I swear I'm not doing it on purpose. Because you're addicted? I may not be addicted, but I do have my dick chittling inside of... Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I even tried. I'm sorry I even tried. I'm aware of how bad it was. I'm aware of how bad it was. Just stop. Just stop. Don't rub it in. Don't rub it in. No, Johnny, please. Don't rub it in. No, I can't. You can have it in. It's fine. Is tittling even a word? Titillating is a word. I can say titillating, right? These women are so titillating. These women and their big boobs are so fucking titillating right now, dude. I'm being titillated hard as hell. I'm being titillated on. Putting more water in there. Can you guys buy something from here so I can just put more shit? So I can stock my fridge? Please? I'm asking nicely. Yes. Buy my shit. Buy my shit. Hello? Shadi, they're not saving me. They're not fixing me. They're not fixing me enough. They need to do better. They need to do fucking better. And I need to put more shit on shelves. I'm working here, I sit, cursing my government for not giving me an automatic thing that tells me what I'm missing and what I need to stock in my store. This is so hard. This is the hardest game I've ever played. By far. This is worse than Bloodborne. This is worse than Elden Ring. This is worse than Sekiro. How the fuck are you meant to play this game with any level of success? How are you supposed to do this? I'm clueless. I'm actually fucking clueless. This is so hard. This is so hard. What do I do? Just buy some more oil, I guess. What are my other options? Lucy milk has to be refrigerated, not on the floor. They'll be fine. It'll be fine. What are you worried about? Contamination? Mold? Spoilage? Nothing bad will happen. There's a mini fridge inside of the box. So there's nothing to be concerned about. The milk is okay. My stock is pristine. Flawless, even. Can somebody buy my fucking honeybee cereal? Holy shit, please buy my honey oat cereal.
Lucy,
please buy my honey
you're
oat
looking
cereal.
quite
Please buy my
dazzling
honey oat
today.
cereal. Thank you. 2 more south for the 1,000 biddies. I appreciate it. Yeah, I put this on so that women would come to my store. I don't know if it's working. Shadi, if you were a woman, would you come to my store? Shadi? Would you come to my store? 100%? Oh, okay. See? It's working. My fedora is working. It's luring women in. As I always knew it would. I've been prepared for this moment. From the very beginning. Did I pay all my payments? Okay, all payments paid? Everything locked the fuck in. We are locked the fuck in, bro. Okay, we got some more spaghetti. That's what we need. People like spaghetti. They buy a lot of spaghetti. So we're gonna put more spaghetti on the shelves. We're only gonna stock shit that actually makes a profit. I don't care if people get mad. They're like, oh, you didn't have this one obscure thing that loses you money for having it. I don't care! Get out of my store! Get out! Who's they gonna open up the store like, greetings, females? I do that every stream. I don't know if you've noticed this, but I feel bad for every woman who watches my content because I'm always like, greetings, women. Hi, how's it going? Wow, there's females in my stream? I always make a point out of it, which is not really what you should do if you want to attract more women to your stream, but like at the same time, they have to know what they're getting into, right? Like they had to know. I am a woman, yes I would come to your store, and I wouldn't even file a restraining order if you obsessively checked me out as I shopped. Aww! Oh my god, I have Riz! Dude, I have so much fucking Riz, women love me. Women love me, and they are not paid chatters. They are not paid chatters. I have paid them nothing. They love me. They just love me for who I am. They love my big fat tits. Women love me. Women love Lucy. Write it down. Read it and fucking weep, bro. Read it and fucking weep. Okay, let's get some more hand soap, some shampoo, some bleach. Yeah! closed the store. Chatty, they won't let me shop anymore. Chatty, they won't let me make any purchases. Chatty. Chatty, why? What did I do wrong? Brown sugar. I'm so delusional, I'm like, yeah, I have all of this in stock. I have all of it. What's the problem? I just can't understand. I have everything here. Every last fucking bit. Okay, I guess I'll buy more. Because I'm going to the gym and it'd be funny to get a pump going to Lucy sexually harassing women. Today's the last day! Can you hire someone to stock the shelves in this game? You can? But I want to hire someone to order shit off the web. I want to hire someone to shop. I like stocking the shelves. I like taking the... All by myself. All by myself. All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself. But you're gonna have friends. Stop singing. Hey Lucy, I think there's an anomaly in the store. Oh shit, go back. Go back. We cannot stay here. It's fucking over. God, I hate this game. Fucking hate this game. It happens every time. Every fucking time. And I'm in debt. I'm literally America Simulator right now. America Small Business Owner Simulator. It's hard. It's fucking hard, man. Yeah, make that payment. What other choice do we have? And we still owe $6,500! Chatty, what do I do? Chatty, how are we gonna get out of this mess that we cucked ourselves into? We fucked ourselves so hard.
Lucy, this is your 20-minute reminder for the song drop.
Oh,
Lucy
yeah.
hype.
Should I stream up until the song drop? Should I stream until then? Okay. That's fair. Let's shop till we drop, Chatty. We out here shopping. Okay? If you're not too tired, I can do it for 21 more 20 I can count. I'm good. Why did I put this here? Chatty, I'm normal. I can handle it, okay? Why did I buy it in the first place? You're gonna die. If you come to my store, you're gonna die. If you come to my store, you're dead. If you come to my store, you're not going to be able to survive. The amount of sugar, like I'm actually diabetes maxing and it's all unintentional. It's like subliminal at this point. The amount of diabetes that we're working with here. Chatty, I feel bad. I am the reason that America is like this. I am the reason America is the way it is. But that means that I should get a lot of customers, right? Because Americans love sugar. Americans love sugar. How do I know? Well, I'm American, silly. And what I say about America must be true. No produce but potato. What if you had a whole store of nothing but potato? What happens if I refuse to pay my loan, by the way? Do they just start killing me or do they garnish my wages? Is it just like IRL? They're gonna garnish Lucy Pyre's wages or something? It's GG's, the game ends? You're Irish then. I don't want to pay taxes. I mean, I don't think if I don't pay taxes, why do I have to pay for my loans? Why? Make it make sense. Whoops, you can't. It's nonsensical. Don't pay for your fucking taxes. Don't pay for your loans. Just let it sit. It'll take care of itself, and if it doesn't, oh well. It's not my money anymore. The game becomes prison simulator? Would be kind of sick, actually. Would be sick if you could have, like, different branches in this game. Oh, there's so much sugar! There's so much sugar! There's so much fucking sugar! There's so much! God damn! More sugar. More sugar, Chatty. More. It's not enough. I need more. I need more. this fucking store right now. I need to give everyone some of Lucy Pyre's sugar. Can I get more water in here? No, I can't. Okay. So I was never even gonna try to put more water in there, dummy. Goofball. Ugh. I was never gonna do that. Ridiculous. Most American moment ever. No. There's no American moments here. See, I'm gonna prove that it's not an American moment. For example, we don't need to keep our milk in the fridge. Could an American do this? Now be honest, could an American do that, Chatty? Melee Man, welcome. How's it going? Yes? You're wrong. These people have never been to America before in their lives. They've never been to America. They are scammers. Please buy the eggs. Please buy the eggs. Please buy the eggs. I would love if you would just buy the eggs. Please buy the eggs. I need this space so I can put more shit in here. Please.
Lucy's store got all
going
this
great.
sugar because
Shelf-stable
she's
milk
just
is the
so
thing.
sweet. Did that
What
work?
the
Does
fuck
that
did you
count as
say,
Riz?
Melee Man? Yeah. Anything I do counts as Riz. Cause like, have you seen the way women react to me? They're so nice to me. What do they want, Chatty? What do the women who are nice to me want? What is their ulterior motive? There must be one. There must be something lurking under the surface. When has a woman ever been nice to me and she just meant it at face value? When has it ever happened? I might be going crazy. Looking for signs, trying to catch signals. Everywhere I look.
Delulu
Be nice to a woman, only sex.
sunglasses.
Wait, do you think the women want to have sex with me? That's kind of based, actually. If the women want to have sex to me, I forgive them. Why did I say sex to me? I don't know why I bought potatoes again. I really shouldn't, because the potatoes are so bad. They're so bad! They're so bad! They're so bad! Do they drag more people to the store or something? That's their one benefit. That is their one W. This and nothing else. Anyone want to have sex to me? Emerald, as a woman, you are not allowed to try and recruit males in my chat. No! Not Emerald trying to cuck me. Not Emerald trying to cuck me in my own community. It's so over. Holy shit. Rom
Call
Bomb
this
Mike, give it a
DLC
19
Lucy
months,
by
Bubba.
the way,
Also,
it's
Capriel, give
twitching
it a
and
happy Annie.
streaming.
Let's go. It's twitching and streaming. Wait, what is it doing? Oh, your cock. His cock is twitching while it unleashes its stream into the potty. Based. I'm glad. I'm happy. I'm happy for you. I'm happy that your pee-pee... Please! Stop! 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 Stop it! Stop it! Please! Please! Please stop. Please put your cock away. I need my fridge. I need it. I need to buy French fries. I need some French fries to get through today. Very American of me, right? This is so fucking sad. It's an anomaly. The anomalies won't quit. How do I make them stop? How do I make them leave me alone? I've already dealt with their bullshit enough, haven't I? Haven't I done
Lucy
enough?
misgendered me, Keck.
Oh, Capriel. Did I? Yeah, it's over. Yeah, it's over. It's over. I'm done. I'm cooked. I'm fucking cooked. Yeah, I'm canceled. Oh, it's actually over. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can't very well do that. It's over. It's fucking over. Yeah, it was fun while it lasted. It was, yeah, we had a good run. We did. We really did. I hope everyone is enjoying this being my last stream ever. Guys, I know I was a woman a lot, and I acted like a woman a lot, and I was very stupid, and I just came. Okay, Melee Man, thank you. Yep, and there were people who came in my stream, although I don't actually believe them. I think everyone's just joking. Teeter and Peaks, welcome. Every so often, I would sexually harass people, and then they would sexually harass me back. There was like this really nice repertoire, this tit-for-tat thing going on in my community. I really enjoyed it. But then, Capriel, I fucked up. I fucked up terribly. It's all my fault. Anything that happens on Twitter, Chatty, know that you only have me to blame. Know that it was my sin, And I'm willing to die for your sins. I'm willing to go out like VTuber Jesus. Put me on the fucking cross. My hands may not hold nails. You may put your dick in them. And then it'll be like an anime girl Jesus. Hell yeah. Wait, is that having a dick in both hands and then like doing a foot job at the same time while on a cross? Yeah, this cross is not upright. It's more like while laying down, but it makes sense. I'm sure this has to exist as hentai already. Like, this hentai already exists. You cannot lie to me and tell me it doesn't. I know what I'm about. And if it didn't exist, how would I have watched it? I've definitely already experienced it. That's why I can think of it. Kinda hot, not gonna lie. It's extremely hot, actually. Kinda hot? Open your third eye and wake up to the truth. The fuck is wrong
Hello,
with you?
Lucy.
Everything.
Sorry for being late to stream. I just wanted to say you are a very good and sexy streamer, Lucy P. Hart.
I'm
BTW, my dick
This
stinks,
guy's not
blah.
sexy. This guy's not sexy. This guy's not sexy. He is not sexy! He's screwing with me. He's screwing with me. He's getting away with it. Chatty, you're letting him get away with it. Why are you letting him get away with it? Why are you letting him get away with it? Why are you letting it happen, Chatty? This guy's disrespecting your streamer right in front of you. Kill him. Kill him! Kill him! The way Chatty doesn't care. The way Chatty doesn't give a fuck. Or a goddamn about what I'm dealing with right now. Get him, boys! Also, Unikinky Corn, thank you for the sub. I think it's base that you subbed before you even followed. Holy shit, this person was like, hey, she's talking about getting crucified like anime hentai Jesus. I'm ready to commit. This is what I've been waiting for. Thank you. I tried to create things that nobody else has before. And usually those things haven't been created for good reason. So it's like one of those things where it's like, just because it doesn't exist yet doesn't mean you should. But I do it anyway. I like to keep things fresh. Funky fresh. Fergalicious definition, make them boys go loco. Is this empty now? It's empty. Oh my god, we finally filled the fridge. We can finally get rid of these fucking packages, holy shit. Yeah, keep buying! Consume! 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 Watch them, Chatty, at the fridge. Unable to move. Unable to make any choices. This is the end game of capitalism. You may not like it, but this is what late-stage capitalism looks like. People fusing together at the fridge aisle, trying to decide if they want Sprite or Coca-Cola. Consumerism has reached its fucking peak. Shit, we need chocolate? Oh my god, wait, this is the strat. This is a strat. You just need other people to tell you what you're missing. So you just watch them when they get checked out. And then you get the things that they complain about. And then you win. That's easy. I just figured this game out. This game's fucking easy. He needs peanut butter? Oh my god. Oh my god, so we need peanut butter. Hello, peanut butter, let's go. What else? What else? What else? What else? Cheese mozzarella? Coming right up, baby. Yes. Cheese mozzarella. Here we go. Oh. Good work today, buddy. You. From the moment I hired you, I fucking hated you. I wanted to piss down your throat. You're lucky I let you get away with it. You're lucky I let you get away with having that stupid fucking expression on your face every goddamn time. You're not a chatty, you're an imposter. An imposta, even. And I will figure you out. I've never played Among Us, by the way. What does this mean about me? What does this say that I've never played Among Us as a VTuber? Is it sacrilege? Maybe someone should drag me into Among Us the way I'm just like, other people should just do these things for me and make it easy, haha, XD. How much money did we make? $1,062! Let's fucking go! Baxamix, thank you for the 5 months, I appreciate it. We actually made stonks today. We actually made fucking stonks today, holy based. Holy based! Alright, let's buy these things. Put that shit in the fridge. Nice, 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 nice. Now they won't complain about not having it. We also have our peanut butter here. Wait, are we out of honey? Chatty, do you see any honey? We're out of honey! No more honey! Okay, we can get honey. Oh my god, dude, we're doing so good now. We're doing amazingly. I didn't expect to do this good, but here we are. Alright, chocolate bars right here. Lamalda, thank you so much for the gift sub to Cobbly. I appreciate it. Bye-bye, thank you. Holy shit, when did you hit 5,000? When did you hit 5,000? Holy fuck! Holy fuck, bro. That's a lot. Yeah, damn! Yeah, damn! Thanks, Lamalda. Congratulations on the 5K gift subs. That's actual insanity. I am happy to be the Gacha 5-star that you roll for every day. God bless America. Wait, should I say God bless Russia in this situation? Hey, Lucy, that song premieres in 6 minutes. Yeah. Don't worry. We're just stocking the shelves, okay? We're stocking the shelves. Everyone look closely at the shelves. Now smack its ass. Hell yeah. That smells like the pasta aisle. Nice and starchy. Good fucking shit. Yeah, you can smell that pasta, baby. You can smell that pasta from miles away. That's the way I like it. I would never want it to fucking change. I think we need candy. I didn't see any candy. And then we need rice. Rice! Where rice? Here, rice. Rice here. Nobody wants our salt. We've had salt for like ages and nobody cares about it. Nobody gives a fuck about our salt. They don't even care. They don't even want us to have it. Oh shit. Okay, let me put this here. Salt. No, this is rice. I'm sorry. Need more gamer customers. They make their own. Why would they need my help? Why would they need our help, Chatty? They make their own fucking shit. They make their own salt at home. They're the type to tell their kids. I feel like gamers are the type of parents to be like, we got McDonald's at home, and the McDonald's at home is a frozen patty that they put in the microwave, not even the oven, and then they give it to their kid, and then they tell them to get their own fucking condiments. Based gamers, am I right? Gotta teach them how to fend for themselves, for real, for real. What are we missing? Okay, we got cake, we got coffee, we got tea. Ooh, we're kind of running out of tea. Okay, we got soap, we got bleach. We don't have cleaner. Chatty, we're cleanerlets. Chatty, we're cleanerlets. Give me that shit. Oh, we should get that too. You should get that too. Okay. Now we're ready. We're ready for whenever we next play this shit. Soon. I forgot that this takes up 2 shelves. Fuck! It's over. It's over. It's fucking over. I didn't know. Chatty, I didn't know. We need people to buy that. We need people to buy it desperately. If people don't buy it, it's over. Well, Chatty, I feel kind of awkward watching the video together, but I think we should because I haven't actually seen it yet. I haven't seen it. So, let me pull up the premiere. God, I bet it's gonna be fire. I'm not gonna have secondhand embarrassment at all. It's going to be okay, Lucy. It's going to be okay. Lucy, laugh soon. No, please. Please, Lucy, you don't understand. I'm shy. Okay, let me open it. I can't find it on YouTube, so I'm just gonna open it because she already sent me the fucking link. I'm not trying to find it somewhere else. Here we go. Oh wow, look at this really wholesome thumbnail we have of me and Numi. Let me do this hydration routine. Give me a second, I'll beam it up, Chatty. I'll beam it up for you. It's all for you, Chatty. It's all for you. Who else would it be for? I live to please. I live to make calm. I live to make everyone here come and have a good time. Got him! God, it's so fucking easy. It's so fucking easy. Oh, I have the gift of the gab. I have the gift of gab, Chatty. The gift of absolute gab. Alright, if I put this down here, we should be good, right? I think so. Alright, let me... Okay! Let me give you guys the link as well. My chatties. Everyone go and give Numi and I guess me support, but mostly Numi. Cause Numi cooked the vast majority of this. She cooked for the video. Well, she was like in control of 99% of the process, okay? Don't downplay yourself. I'm just saying! Like, look at this art! Numi got it fucking commissioned cause she's so cute. And fucking... and then she invited me, and then she handled all the stuff, and girl acting like I drew this myself. Okay, but you got it drawn. It was your vision, right? Your eyes? God, look at the way the tits are... Chatty. Chatty the tits. Chatty the... Chatty the... Chatty the... Chatty the... boot. Chatty the... Chatty her bobbies. The hand placement. Oh. Chatty. Lucy, your fluster is showing. No, it's not. You're flustered, not me. God, I just know the first part of this is gonna be so fucking fire. I've been looking forward to this video. I think I saw a really short preview of it. Guess what? It's good as fuck. But it was a really short preview. When I finally meet Lucy and we get to recreate this. When she finally meets Lucy! And she gets to recreate it! Chatty, what do I do? Chatty, what do I do? What do you mean the first part? It's all gonna be fire. Okay, Chatty. I'm gonna light you on fire. I'm gonna put you on a pedestal and set it on fire. Alright, everyone hold. Everyone hold! 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 All holding. We're all holding. We're all holding. We're all holding. We're all holding right now. We're fucking holding. Numi's chat holding. Hold on. For posterity. For posterity! Oh shit. What the fuck? What is this? What is this? What? What is this, dude? You scammed me! 4 o'clock scammed. 4 o'clock scammed, bro. Let everyone fucking know that we were scammed. We were absolutely robbed. Lucy, the volume. Oh, is the volume too high? Or is it too low? Bit loud. Really? Sounds good here. It doesn't look like it's too loud on my thing. Yeah, louder. Sounds good. No, it's good. Not too high. I'll make it a little louder when we get to the actual song, but right now, this fucking elevator music is crazy. It's an elevator, bro. The YouTube music is always more loud. It's so stupid. This is like when you get advertisements and it's like way louder than the thing that you were fucking watching. It should be a crime. It should actually be a crime to do shit like that. Oh my god, guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see who Numi did her new cover with. It's a mystery. Don't read the title. The way my timer is 10 seconds behind yours. Get cocked, get cocked, get cocked, get cocked, get literally so cocked. Get so fucking cocked, bitch. I swear to God, get cocked. It's so funny. I'm ahead of her. I'm so much ahead of her. It's crazy. Crazy. Okay, chatty. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that, but here we are. How the fuck you ahead of me 7 seconds? Cry about it. Cry about it, pussy. Cry about it, pussy. I bet there's some people watching the video already or something like that. Maybe everyone has a slightly different time. It's happening! It's happening. Alright, chatty. Alright. Alright.
You don't wanna see me proudy. Let the kitty call me catty. Make your man call me daddy. He talk too much, he's too chatty.
He's too chatty!
Respect a bitch, I'm a maverick. Flexible, so elastic, but don't you dare bend the bitch backwards. Fuck a princess, I'm a king.
God, she sounds so good.
Wanna kiss on my ring. Being a bitch is my king. What the fuck is such a thing? Fuck a princess, I'm a king.
She's a king!
It's gonna hurt, it'll sting.
I love this song.
Spitting your blood in the sink. I'm crazy, but you like that. I bite that.
God, I love the art. She's going. Oh, sorry. It was instinctual. It was instinctual. I'm sorry.
I'm no Cinderella, but I like the just shoes. Big glass platforms, bitch, I'm choosy. Long white hair, white as the moon. Only just a fella for some light amusement.
Oh my god, but the video's so cool! This art!
Seminana on the church's pews. No distraction can confuse me. Whiskey in my hip flask, nothing fruity. Fuck a princess, I'm a king. Bad and kiss on my ring.
Nice fucking art, holy
Bitch is
shit!
my king. What the fuck else did you think? Fuck a princess, I'm a king. Bad and kiss on my ring. It's gonna hurt, it'll sting. Spitting your blood in the sink. I'm crazy that you like that. I'll bite back. Daisies on your nightstand. Never forget I blossom in the moonlight. Screw
I'm so parasocial for Numi. I'm so parasocial. The blend!
Daisies on your nightstand. Never forget I blossom in the moonlight. Screw eyes, glacial with the blue eyes. I'm terrified.
La la la. 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 La la. God, look at the hug. Look at the hug. Look at the fucking cook. Holy fucking bass. I got little shakies in my body. Oh my god, I'm so parasocial for Numi. Hold on. I'm parasocial! I'm parasocial! Thanks for tuning in, gamers. Thanks for tuning in. That was hot as fuck. I know, right? The thumbnail. I'm still thinking about the fucking thumbnail. Chatty, what are these recommendations? Nomi, why am I getting recommended this shit on your fucking Sex pest! Beat his meat! And the arch. I always get recommended your songs. Oh my god, wait. Is this my fault? Does YouTube think I want to watch this or something? Is that Boot Hill? Oh shit. Oh, Chatty, I'm being exposed right now. No. We can't have this. We can't have this. No. We cannot have this right now. It's dangerous. Girl, not at you exposing yourself. I would never listen to any playlists of characters where it's like character has rough, brutal sex with you. The playlist, and it's just a bunch of like horny songs. Like no Leon Kennedy playlist in my history. I have nothing of that nature. I am a good Christian girl. Always have been, always will be. I promise to carry
Now
that
that
energy
was one hell
further
of a
with me in the
duet.
future.
You can be proud, girls.
Thank you, Numi. I'm so glad you invited me to do a fucking cover with you. I would really love to do another one as well. It would be very Poggers Epic Champ. Maybe even an original song together would be cool. Don't worry, you took my first time. Wait. I'm your first time? Wait, are we each other's first time? She's never done a cover with some... Chatty, we took each other's virginity. We took each other's fucking virginity. How base could this be? How base could this fucking be? Cold virginity, so fucking real. Holy shit. No, I think it would be so cool to have an original song, but I need to fix my audio setup first. I was just realizing, like, the past two covers I did with other people, I'm like, damn, their microphones are so nice. I have to fix mine. Holy shit! Shadowed! Holy huge! Thank you so much for the 100 gifties, blah blah! I will be putting those towards fixing my audio setup. Let's go! Thank you! Giga Chad! Holy shit! Your voice sounded amazing. Thanks, Chai. I appreciate it. I was very nervous about it. But it's like the thing. I love Numi's vocals so much that it's always nervous to put your own next to somebody who's so good, right? Like, even if you had confidence, I think that would be rough, you know? It's like, damn. Oh, boy. Thank you for keeping it in. Oh, keeping in my horniness? Don't worry. I felt like that too. I was so worried when I sent you the draft because I sounded so shit. What is she talking about, bro? What is she talking about? Dude, what the fuck is she talking about? She is cooking nothing. She is cooking fucking nothing and she knows that. She knows that, bitch. Holy fucking shit, I swear to God. Wait, who should I raid, by the way? Question mark. The brainworms are everywhere. Chatty. My brainworms. How do I kill them? Are they weak to pesticides? Are they weak to violence? Are they weak to gunshots? Both were straight cookery. I'm so glad people like it.
I am so
I'm
proud of you,
glad.
Lucy.
Oh.
That was amazing.
Thank you!
Lumi and the artists did a tremendous job and you both sound great together. You should be on cloud nine,
taking
proud of
compliments is
yourself
so
and
hard.
how far you have come from your early days.
Thank you.
We love you, Lucy.
Why does nobody acknowledge how hard it is to take compliments, okay? I know it's a good thing, but it's hard. It's like you're just sitting there and you're like... Yeah, you're making noises like you're constipated or some shit. Like, maybe I am. Maybe I am constipated right now. Oh shit, Rose is playing Minecraft. Let's raid Rose, because we're gonna play Minecraft tomorrow. Noomy, I'm gonna play Noomcraft. Are you going to be there? Are you going to be there, Noomy? Or are you going to abandon me? You'll be there? Just let me know. Okay. Okay, I can't wait to play Noomcraft with Noomy. I can't wait. I also saw her little mascot thing. The mascot thing you got is so fucking good. Holy shit. Holy fucking base. Give me a time. Dude, my usual stream time, like 1 p.m. EST. It's probably if I don't run into a bunch of different fucking errors. I'm gonna have to download the mod pack today. Get everything set up. I'll wake up for you. My god, bro, she's gonna hold my hand. She's gonna hold my hand. Don't forget your tax stuff, Lucy. Oh my god, thank you. I actually forgot. I actually forgot. I have to call my fucking CPA's like firm and ask what the fuck is going on. Because I swear to God, if they ghost me over a phone call, not only will I cry, I'm gonna get really upset. I'm gonna piss myself. I will. Yeah, banger cover raid. Banger Noomy Lucy raid. Banger Nimussy raid. Let's put Banger Nimussy raid, please. Banger Nimussy raid, please. Nimlussy, Nimussy, Nimlussy, Nimlussy, Nimlussy.
Cover with Noomy
Nimlussy
today, Noomcraft tomorrow.
I know,
Fellas,
right?
I think we lost her to Noomy.
It's so over.
I'm so proud of you. You both cooked.
It's so
Lucy
over. Noomy's
Beheart.
gonna abuse Lucy. It's fucking over. Also, Chatty, mwah! The fucking raid is timing out. I love you. Bye. Fuck. It happened so soon. No.